gifted 1 subs to viewers.
Welcome, everyone, to the stream, and LG. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering the name. LG. Yo, man. Thank you so much for the gifted 1 and the 1 bit. Dude, that actually means so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, man. Welcome, everyone, to the Loud House. I don't know why I'm playing the Loud House. It's just such a good song. Loud House, in the Loud House.
Make sure not to spend it all in one place.
Bruh, dude, I reinvest every dollar I get from Twitch or YouTube. I reinvest it back into the streams, back into the videos. You know, make better content, make servers for you guys. I'm working on a viewer recipe, okay? Okay, I'm a bit low on money to run it forever, but you know. Anyways, we move. Oh, hang on. Oh no. Why? Why does this... Bro! Connect already! Connect! Bro, Mr... I'm telling you, LZ, my man, he boosted the server on Discord. Bro, oh my god.
Here for your content then.
Thank you so much, my man, for the 100 bits. Oh man, LZ... Man, boosted the Discord server, gifted a sub, and donated 102 bits. That is mad. Alright, that is straight up mad. By the way, guys, we're in Hypixel. If you guys want to join, do /p join at yours. Come on, Hypixel, do that. We are, you know, I've been doing something. But, okay. What do we start off with, gamers? Do we start off with Bed Wars or Skywars? I'm gonna just start off with Skywars. It's just faster. Bro, the fire... Oh, man. Okay, here's the week. Alright, yo! D-Kid, thank you so much for the follow, big man. Sorry, bro. Okay, there we go. Basically, what happened was and yo, thank you so much for the 1 bit again, and thank you as well, Z-Kid.
Tea is good for you, bro.
I don't drink anything. I have, what is this, Sprite? Yeah, I got Sprite with me. Okay, I need to explain. Let me explain. Gamers, are you guys gonna join the party? /p join EORS? Come and hang out on Hypixel with us because we straight up good. I don't know. Why am I sounding like an... Okay. Alright, here's the thing, game. Here's the thing. Before the stream, I was honestly like, I don't know if I should stream. Because I didn't stream yesterday. Because I went to the dentist, I think, the day before. And I got new like braces put on, and they're purple, but they look stupidly pink. Okay, they're purple, but they look pink. Why? I don't know, man. Okay, not the point. All right, so there I am putting on the braces, and you know, these are not like the normal ones where you have a metal wire and whatnot. Okay, these ones are rubber bands. They like stretch across your entire all your teeth, and then I messed this up. No, I didn't. And now, like, it just hurts. It just hurts. Why? How did I miss that? There's a guy up here. Why is there a guy up here? I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up. Oh man, I don't have enough blocks. Scary. Let's go. Yeah. And I decided, you know what? Since my teeth hurt anyways, why? Ow. Uh-oh. Well, I'm kind of stuck here. I got no blocks. Well, yeah, no. Guys, teeth doctor. I know, right? Teeth doctor. Yo! Again for that 100 bits.
Teeth
Thank
doctor
you.
puts metal
Making
wire to
it rain.
support your bones in your mouth.
Thank you so much. You don't need, bro. You keep your money. Didn't you say you have work soon? Nah, man. You gotta keep your money. Up, up. Oh my god, I'm stuck in between like a corner and a hard place. What is it? Weird. But yeah, no. So I decided my sister was gonna go to Burger King, and I was like, "Can you get me something?" And I should have specified nothing, you know, hard. So I got a chicken burger. What the flip? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is... Oh, come on, man. That was so close. Wow, that's not cool. That's not cool. I would have won that. Burger. Yeah, so my sister got me a chicken burger. And I ate it. And now my teeth hurt, okay? They hurt so badly. I also woke up to like my entire front jaw. I don't know, is it a jaw? All my front teeth at the like, you know, jaw teeth, whatever. I don't know what the terminology is, okay? Had moved, and I was like, whoa, they moved so much, and I was honestly like so scared, because here's the thing, I went to bed at like what, 5 in the morning, okay, and I woke up at like 3 in the afternoon, so like literally more or less 2 hours ago, all right. And you know, I was like, okay, oh my god, hacker. I hate hackers, man. I straight up hate hackers. Oh, LDC. How do I pronounce your name, Mr. Eli? Can I just call you Eli? That's a cool name, Eli. Can I call you Eli? Or do you want me to call you LCI? So thank you so much for the 1 bit again, man. That's very. Pro tip burger. True. Gamers, true. You know, I don't know why, but here's the thing. The only reason why I've recently become like, I wouldn't say addicted, but you know, it's like the #1 fast-paced food I would go to. You know, like, you know, I wouldn't go to like KFC or McDonald's or anything. I would go to Burger King. It's the first place I'd go to. Why? Because I've been watching way too many Marvel things recently. I rewatched like the first Iron Man movie, and I was like, you know what? I want a burger. I want a cheeseburger too. But it's not like, I don't get a cheeseburger mainly. I get like a Whopper most of the time. Because they're just bigger, you know? They're just bigger and they're just more filling, you know? And it's like a better price. So, you know, it's just better. Hello, Sepper Hero. Welcome. Guys, I'm so sorry. I should read. Domino's Pizza. I do get pizza Domino's. Because I can order online. It's so much more easy to order online for Domino's than it is for like any other place in Singapore, okay? It's simpler. I did make the mistake once of doing delivery and when I should have done pickup, because pickup's just cheaper, okay? I live in Asia.
You should get a KFC chicken sandwich,
Hello,
the
Amy.
best one out there.
We don't have a KFC chicken sandwich, okay? I live in Singapore. Like, you know, it's Singapore. We have like chicken. I don't even know I've never even heard of a chicken sandwich. No, a KFC chicken sandwich to say. Zinger? I have heard of a Zinger. I recently found out the Zinger was invented in Singapore. What? How are you, Amy? Welcome. Welcome, everyone, by the way. I hope you guys are all doing well. We're doing some open party Minecraft on Hypixel. If you want to join us, feel free to join us. Uh-oh. It's stupid rat. Oh, no. Stupid rat. Goodbye. Uh-oh. That would have been very, not poggers. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Why do I have 2 bows? This is actually the power 3 is better. I'll keep the power 3. Yo, thank you so much for the 1 bit again, man. That's you don't.
I'm
bro.
so bad, XD.
Nah, man, nah. It's okay. It just takes a lot of time, bro. A lot of time. I'm actually, weirdly, I'm doing better than like literally most other days. Oh no. I don't like this song, man. I don't. Alright, I have to tab out. I don't have a second monitor. I'm waiting for wire so I can connect like my ugly second monitor to my PC instead of my laptop. Right now it's connected to my laptop. Hey yo man. Yo, yo, I am MCCing this. Ah, how did you hit me? Oh, yo, them hits. Yo, I'm mastering this.
I need a better
Oh,
setup,
yeah,
and it
I
doesn't
even got
matter
him.
if I'm good at the game, only need a good PC to run it.
Oh, I need a better. I mean, you don't really need a better. You don't like. You just need good FPS, man, and like you know a pretty decent. No! I didn't even see the guy behind me. Damn it! Forgot MCC will start soon. Actually, MCC wasn't it like last week? I think. You know. It was. I didn't watch all of it, but you know, it was so surprising to see Captain Sparkles win. You know, because I didn't expect it. I didn't expect because you know Captain Sparkle never wins. Isn't it already over? It's gonna happen like last week, guys. I don't know. Oh, alright, let's switch up to some Bed Wars. I want to switch up this and do some Bed Wars. Damn it! I hate you, Hypixel. Ah. Okay, wait. Hang on. Sorry, guys. The thing is, Hypixel doesn't like my Singapore connection. Even though I have like super good Wi-Fi, it just doesn't like it.
You got delay, bro.
I don't have obviously, you know, obviously I have delay. Because otherwise people are gonna stream snipe me. But as well, you know, the delay is well like 5 seconds, 10 I don't actually know how much the delay is. It's a bit. I would think it's like 8 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. Not sure. Why doesn't my mic pick up whenever I whistle? Whistling is so cool, alright? Whistling is like the best thing I've ever done. I can do so many different pitches when I whistle, okay? I can go high, I can go low. Oh man, I'm like a master. I missed MCC because I was visiting someone at the hospital. I hope they're doing okay. I mean, I hope they are doing okay. You know, I really hope. Okay. That sucks though. That sucks that someone's in the hospital. Not the fact you missed MCC. I missed MCC because I sleep. Oh man. Well, Mike, do you have yours? Okay. All right. This is really bad. All right. This is really bad. I have an off-brand mic. Okay. It's not even. It's like. It's just some random mic. I decided to go on like, on what? What did I go to? So look, we have a local online shopping thing called Lazada. Okay. So so I go on Lazada. I just search up microphone. I was like, all right, cheap. It works. Let's grab it. So I bought it. But then I ended up spending like, what, roughly $10 worth on wires because my original mic wire got, you know, broken. So now I've bought a different mic wire from Amazon, and it's actually good. So I mean, it just proves one thing: you don't need a setup. You don't need like anything expensive to be like awesomely good at the game or successful. If you have pretty decent stuff, you're good, man. You're good. You don't need no fancy things. You don't need no Elgato. What's Elgato? What again? All right. I've actually debated this a bit because there's this thing called the Elgato Stream Deck, and you know I was like, you know, it actually looks and seems very, very efficient and you know resourceful. So. Thanks, BRB. No problem. Amy, aren't you in school? Isn't it like school time for you right now? So yeah, no, I've been debating. Like, okay, if I get the Elgato, how often will I use it? Because here's the thing: I have a soundboard already, like an online one from VoiceMod. Thank you, VoiceMod, for letting me have a soundboard on my phone. So I use my phone for like, oh, that's my prize. This. So like you can hear all this. Like you can hear basically can hear like all. So I have my phone that does all of that. Annoyingly, you know, I have to let go of the game for a bit when I do that because I need to see where I'm touching. Oh my god, I don't know what. Because I need to see where I'm pressing. So I've been debating. If I did an Elgato Stream Deck, I'm literally not going to use it because it seems so useless, and they cost like $400. No, I'm good. I'll say like I don't know. It's between 400 to 200 in my currency. Okay, it's expensive. It's too goddamn expensive. So I'm here decided. No, I'm not gonna waste a crap ton of money on some. Why did my on some stupid machine board thing which I'll never use? You know? No, I would never do that. All right, let's go. Oh! Uh-oh. Come on, what? Come on, my other buddy. Whoever's... this kid also died. Annoying. Are you okay, Eli? What's going on? Eli, you're good at the game. Wow. Thank you, Epic. Thank you. Thank you for your shot. I hope that's sarcasm. Bro, what brand do you like?
Bro, what brand do you like for PC peripherals? I like Redragon.
I don't know what that means. What's a peripheral? Like, I know that in a sense of like, oh, cool, glasses and whatnot. But I don't know that in like a PC terminology. What does that mean? What that mean? Please explain. Please explain. Okay, no. Alright, I'm done. I'm done messing about now, gamers. I'm going to win. I've activated my super tryhardy music, which doesn't help at all. It just distracts me and makes me focus on the music more because it's so cool. Alright. 2WE, I smashed it. Smashed it with the music. Oh, loser. Loser, man. Ah, you know, I'll grab the diamonds. Away. By the way, you know, this music always reminds me of the whatchamacallit. Thank you again so much for the 1 bit.
Mice and keyboards.
Oh, okay. For my keyboard, I just have a pretty basic Dell keyboard. I don't really have anything special for keyboard-wise. And then the mouse, I got an X-Craft Tron. Just some random brand from my country, I think. I think it's my country. I'm not sure. Okay, I could be wrong. I could be very wrong. But it does the job. It does the job. I don't need any. I'm thinking of getting a Razer mouse. So I probably think that's gonna be the next step. Keyboard, I really don't want to change because, you know, the basic Dell is pretty good. Guys, don't kill him. Don't kill him. I'm getting the bed. Uh-oh. Come on. No! Go! Oh! You ain't getting me! I am built different! Oh! I'm running. I'm out. I'm going this way. Thank you for this bridge. Whoever made it. Oh, what? Why am I alone? No! Guys, it's not good. This is not good. Guys, gamers, no! Yo, thank you so much for the 1 bit again.
Razer blows, bro. You should get Redragon. I used to use them and they suck.
Wait, Razer or Redragon? I guess, okay. Alright, I'll think about it. The thing is, as well, I want to actually physically try out the mouse. You know what I mean? Like, I want to try it and see. Like, I don't want to, you know, like, get a mouse and be like, this is not cool. This is not good. Like, that's why I chose the one I have. Is because, okay, fair. Okay, here's a funny thing. I bought it at a grocery store. I was gonna say grocery market. Okay, I bought it at a grocery store. It's kind of stupid, you know? Who buys a mouse at a grocery store? Alright, gamers, I got this. Sorry if I'm not reading chat that much. Alright, what's in here? Ooh, thank you, gamers. This is helpful. Uh-oh. Okay. What else
They
do
got
I
a
need?
clearance and deals section so you can get them for cheap.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for that. I mean, at the same time, again, I don't really have much money. And the thing is, I don't really want to buy something that I already have, you know? Like, I feel like my next, purchase, it has going to have to be, like, a better microphone, Because, like, I like the microphone, but I could do better, with a better microphone. Bro, I have cheesy fries. It's getting cold. Again, my sister bought a meal, so I have cheesy fries and Sprite. So I need to eat that. Come on, one more, one more, one more. One more, come on. How am I gonna get rid of these two E-women and this... Bro, look at your name! Oh my god, we're dead. I'm dead, I'm dead. These guys are sweats. These guys are sweaties. Oh, solo, man. Solo, man. Solo, man. Nah, fam, no!
They got a 60% keyboard for
Come on,
$30.
come on.
I
No,
have it, and
what?
it's amazing.
Bro, that was like my song as well. GG. Well done, though. Ah, they're stupid. I couldn't even hit them. They got 60% keyboard for $30, and ooh, oh nah, the kid is not here. The kid slash p kick off line. All right, you know what? Let's switch up. I'm switching up. I hate bed. I hate bed wars. I suck at it. Wait, that was what's it called? What's it called? Wool Wars. I'm good at Wool Wars. Okay, good at Wool Wars. No, that's Pixel Party. Here's Wool Wars. I'm good at this game at least. This is the game. Why can't I move? All right. All right. Now I'm gonna go full tryhardy mode on this game. It's a good game. I got kicked. Oh,
I
what?
got kicked.
What? No, it says you're in the game. Right? Yeah, you're there. I see you. I see you. I see you. Yeah. Yeah, I see. See, I see you. Okay. All right. What kit am I going for? I'm going for Archer. I'm good. I'm good. Oh my god, I'm gonna fail this. Oh. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Uh oh. I need to eat this fry. Good luck, fry. Wow. You just... What? Uh-oh. Come on, gamers. Come on. Nice. Go, 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 go. I can't mine anything else. Nice. Good job, team. Good job. Good. Now I'm back. Let's go. Let's go. You know, this game, is this based on MCC? I think it's based on MCC. What's the game called, though? What's it called on MCC? I forgot what this called on MCC. Yeah, what's this called in MCC? I forgot. I know there's a name for this in MCC. Oh my god, no! Why did I jump? I jumped like an idiot. I jumped like an idiot. I did a stupid idiot thing. Okay, I did a stupid... Come on, gamers, you got... Oh, man. That's my fault. I really screwed that up. I screwed that up for... Oh, wait. Wait, no, we won. Oh, nice. Oh, they didn't even need me. Bro. How are you guys doing, by the way? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing well. Bro. Do you guys, when you eat fries, alright, when you eat fries, do you like having like that hard crunchy bit? You know? There's like that one hard crunchy bit. Do you guys like it when you have those? Excuse me, mister. Excuse me, mister. Oh my god, I just destroyed him. He's dead. No, fam. Ow. Oh my. Bye. The damn loser. What a damn loser. I got him. I'm toxic. That was unnecessary toxic. That was just no. All right, no, it's okay. How many? Let's get a streak going. You know what? Let's get a streak going. We should get a God, I think so. Wait, has anyone asked how are you yours? No, no one asked me. I'm doing well, thank you. Thank you for asking. No, I feel like someone may have, and I just didn't respond. But yeah, thank you for asking. I'm doing well, I'd say. I'm doing pretty well. But hang on, give me 1 second. Bro, I need... Yeah, let's get this. No, wait. No, we get this song. Gumball. No, it's just called Gumball. By the way, gamers, if you have Amazon Prime or Twitch Prime, it's free, you know? To subscribe with Amazon or Twitch Prime, you know? We're gonna have fun, true. We are.
We are going
Yeah.
have some fun.
Also, guys, if you're not following, what are you doing? We're so close to our follow goal. Just hit the little follow button, please. We're getting pretty close and close to 6K. All right, it'd be very, very awesome if we could hit the 6K mark. You know, you just that and just hit the little follow button. All right. Forgetting after. Yeah, the button. I'm gonna go archer and kill all these fools with a pickaxe. Without this build that one, would destroy them with a pickaxe. Oh wait, we should go up. Uh-oh. Let's go up. Go up. Get the sword! No! I'm going sword on these fools. I'm going swords on these fools. I'm going for this. I'm getting him. He's dead. I got him. Pickaxe for the life! Come on, let's go. Wait, who won? Oh, blue won. Damn it, we were close. We're like one person short. Uh-oh. Alright. I'm gonna go golem then, in that case. If we're one person short, that's not good. We need all the hype men we can get. Okay, go. Cover me. Why can I not? Okay. Alright, I can't. Excuse me, what is your problem? Oh! Nice job, team. Uh-oh, this is one idiot here. This is one dumb idiot. Okay, he's dead. Nice, can I? Alright, I have literally nothing. Oh my god. Nice, good job, team. Good job, we're winning. We win. By the way, guys, can we do a Pixelmon SMP stream after this? I mean, tomorrow, or maybe this stream. Bro, it's a 2v4. Oh my god. This is gonna be mad. This is gonna be straight up madness. It's gonna be madness. This is madness. Uh-oh. No, you don't. What? No, it's over. We've lost. There's no way. Can't 2v4 these people. God, it's not bad. Well, we can, but it's just, I'm not a god. I'm not a god gamer. All four of them survived. What the heck? All right, come on. We can. Come on. We just have to do this, bro. We have to be extremely tough about it. All right. We gotta be. Dead. I'm dead. Oh no. I am dead. Uh-oh. That's not good. And game is me. Alright, gamers, sorry. I'm back. What's happening? Are we lost? obviously we lost. Alright. Switch it up. We're switching it up. Back to Skywars. I like Skywars. Yes, Pixelmon is cool. Thank you very much. That's very kind of me. That's so kind of me. Gamers, thank you. That's so good. Oh damn, that's so very kind of me. Yo, thank you so much for the 1 bit. Man, why?
I'm using Technoblade's texture pack.
Yo, let's go. That's pretty sick. Hang on, I need to change something. Let's do this. Wait. I need to do something really quick. Okay, now Skywars. I mean, let's be honest. Technoblade's texture pack is pretty sick. All right, it's very, very sick. No.
Not even close, baby. Technoblade never dies.
Oh, can I try hard mode this game? I want to try hard mode this game. That's my goal. Try hard mode this game. Try hard mode this game. Try hard mode. Bro, I hate being in the middle. The stress, the anxiety. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Doing? I don't know what he's. Oh man, I don't like you. I don't like it. Oh no. What is your problem? What is your problem? Ah! Ah! That's not good. 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 It's over for you! No! No! Damn it! No, I could have killed him. Hello. Dex No Stoppable. You should ask your viewers on Hypixel one day to play with one to play with them on TV first. More audience. Interesting. I already have Minecraft Bedrock Edition. But the thing is, streaming on Minecraft Bedrock is actually, like, weird. It doesn't work properly. Because I can't tab out. If I tab out, the game decides to restart. And, you know, I don't have a second monitor. So I'm probably gonna wait until I get my wires instead of my second monitor before I do some Minecraft Bedrock Edition. You know? It's not a bad idea, though. I would definitely love to do it. Eventually. Hey, let's go. There's a clap. There's some claps. Yeah, thank you so much for the 1 bit. I'm using 80,
Quake Pro. How about
90.
you?
I'm using 90. I don't like using Pro. I don't like using. It's too. It doesn't. It feels like too. All right, you know what? Arcade games, my favorite. All right, there's one which is my favorite, which is Farm Hunt. Straight up best game ever. All right, we be animals, and I also can look out for women. I just go. But why does no? I just go like this and go. Hello, ladies. How are you doing? Let's go. Wait. Join the party. Come on, Hypixel. Join the party. Do /p join Europe. Now, join. Hop on. Do some good old gaming. Bro, I need to make YouTube videos again. I haven't made a YouTube video in so long. Okay. I think I'm gonna make one after this stream. I'm doing. What's the video I was doing? Man, I think it was a Minecraft bot. Such a dumb. I hate doing Minecraft bots, but it's not bad. Not bad. And then I want to do as well. Whatchamacallit? What's it called again? The the Minecraft trick shots. You know how I did the Minecraft trick shots? I wanna do that again. Make it better. You know, because not really redo it, but make another like part 2.
We should do Mineplex Block Hunt. It's amazing.
Bro, I agree, but it's too laggy for me. Mineplex is too laggy for me, my friends. It's just... Hello, Dex! Dexter! Wait, are you Sun Tzu? Are you Sun Tzu? I remember I used to have this viewer called Sun Tzu and the Art of War. He didn't spell war, he spelled war. Dex Sun. Oh, man. I don't know what happened to him. Sun Tzu? Are you Sun Tzu? Are you? Is it him? Everyone's just going techno. Technoblade combine. Very cool. Alright, another song. Do this. This is a good song. Why is there a naked man? Put on some pants! Oh my god, that just reminded me from the Lego movie. That one line which is kind of like destroyed the internet. Where are my pants?
I hope Mineplex gets its popularity back.
Bro, I wish it does. But the thing is, they're not like... The thing is, Mojang and Mineplex have like worked together so much. Like, you know, most of their popularity came from Mojang, you know, sponsoring them and whatnot. But as well, Mojang, you know, they're not innovating. You know, they're not updating, creating more. Like, okay, they're updating versions, but they're not, you know, creating new games. They're not updating the games and stuff like that, which I think is the, you know, the problem. You know, I think that's the problem. They're not, you know, creating new games. This is Hypixel is always creating new games, making it like, yes, you have to have Hypixel in order to, like, you know, like you have to play Hypixel because Hypixel is the way for everything. Like the housing, I hate it because the amount of TikToks The amount of stupid Minecraft parkour TikToks is unreal. I hate them so much. Oh my god. People just running and doing parkour and talking about, oh, look at me. Oh my god. Oh, you just got rickrolled. Reading your comments. Oh, I hate it so much. Iris, are you in Aries? Yes. March 28th. March 28th. I'm like a month older than Tommy in it, as I would like to say it. Tommy in it. Haha. Haha. I'm older than you, buddy boy. Hello, Back Incorporated. How are you doing? What is up, Back? How you doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nah, son. Nah, son. Back away. Back away. Yes, Tech Son is unstoppable. How are you doing? Maybe. I don't know. What do you mean? Are you him or not? I remember it, so I'm smart. Maybe I am. Son! Sun Tzu! I remember the Sun Tzu skin. The Sun Tzu skin was so cool. No, I like the Sun Tzu skin. With Technoblade. True, it had like the Technoblade clothing and whatnot, but the Sun Tzu face. Ah, iconic. Hang on, I need to sip on some Sprite. I swear to God, if my sister bought this with ice. I hate drinks with ice because they scam you. They don't give you more drink, they give you more ice. Okay, it had ice. But you know, it's okay. It's okay, I hate it still. Because now it's diluted with water. Who mixes their Sprite with water? This is great. I think, I started a shiny stone trend. I mean, have you... Hello, Doc. How are you doing, Dr. Chariot? What is up, big man? What is up? Tomorrow, gamers, by the way. I was thinking... can we get mods? If we can get a poll going, should we do a bit of Among Us, or we can? Let's hear me out, guys. We can do what's it called again? Among Us, or called Pixelmon.
I love
Pixelmon.
ice.
Bro, I can't bite ice. As much as I like, you know, everyone's like, oh, biting ice and whatnot. I can't, okay? If it's like slushy ice, you know, like those, you know, broken pieces of ice that's all like grinded and whatnot. Sure, okay. Apart from that, I can't, man. I can't. My teeth are too sensitive. Biting ice. No. Plus, mixing it with a drink, no. Okay, who puts the ice first and then dilutes all the water from the ice into the Sprite or the thing? Oh, it's disgusting. Oh.
Among Us.
Among Us. Okay. Seems like we might have a winner here. Bro, I don't know what Twitch has done to the algorithm, but it absolutely stinks. Okay, the Twitch algorithm stinks. Oh my God, he knew. He knew. He saw everything. He saw everything. This is the best spot to own. I get to bully my viewers, yeah. Hey yo man, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's good. He's good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah!
Shiny stone is the best stone.
Okay, we're good. I've moved. I've agreed with that, man. Bro, Epic, I gave you a shiny stone. Can we kill that? I'm joking. Stricken Salt. This is the most boring game I've... What do you mean? I like this game. Yo, fam. Hey, fam. Yeah, fam, run. Run away, boy. Okay. It's just me. I'm literally the only one alive. Oh my God, how are they so stupid? They're so dumb. They're honestly so dumb. How? I've literally walked past them. I literally walked past them. Oh my God. My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Will I win? Fuck. Uh-oh. Not good. Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh! No! No, 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 no! Run! Oh, no, no. Oh, no. Oh, ah, no. I'm good. I'm too good at this game. Ah, my chest. Go, check the poll, please. Have Among Us Minecraft map is shiny stone. Oh my gosh. Loudest reaction of Eros I've ever heard. Bro, it's scary. It's scary. Not really, it just I don't know. I like to oversell my reactions sometimes, okay? Because it's stupidly funny. Wait, can we do party games? Oh, let's do some party games. Party games is cool. And then we can do some Bed Wars because we have 4 people. How does my internet suck?
Your internet sucks, bro.
How? I am running at 6,000 bitrate. It's perfect. I'm having no internet issue. I honestly don't. Oh, you mean when I'm disconnecting from the game? That's not my internet. That's Hypixel's internet. Yo, the best! ZZ! Thank you so much for the follow, big man. That's very appreciated. Thank you so much. Come on, I'm winning this. I'm winning these. I win these. I win these. Elves. What's he trying to do? He's trying to pull some fast ones on me. Don't pull no fast ones on me. What's he doing? What's this man doing? Stop. 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 Okay, people are gonna stop missing. How is party games so much faster? Nah, man, I'm stopping this. I'm stopping this. Yeah, what are you gonna do now? How is this guy so fast? My god. Crap, I fell on my own block. That's not my block. That was Elves' block. Come on, I'm catching up. I'm catching up. No, man! On. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, he needs to miss. He needs to miss. Oh, Hypixel? Yeah, we're doing a bit of Hypixel. If you want to join, come. Oh, no. Time to activate my moving-ness. Fuck him, guys. I'm trying to steal him. I'm trying to steal his grass. He's got weed, chap. No. We steal people's weed. We become weed stealers. And then we sell... No. That's very illegal, gamers. Let's not do illegal things. Guys, stop. Stop trying to cut me off, okay? This is illegal, alright? This is illegal racing. Illegal driving, okay? Actually, speaking of driving, party games is the party game you have no chance of winning. No. I always win party games. Like, I always do really well in party games. Why am I doing so badly, though, in this game? It's a stupid party games, man. How does he have the name party? Oh, no, it's got Quames, not games. This guy can see everything. This is my weed. This is my weed. Why do I say it like it's... Bruh. Snoop Dogg's new song. This is my weed. This is my weed. I got some weed, and it's mine. That was so... Among Us! Alright, we're doing Among Us tomorrow then, gamers. Okay, I'm good at this. I think. I think. I'm not sure. Oh, man. Yes! Yes! Straight up bat. He's got a tenor. Oh, my god. Drugs? Guys. Drugs? Oh, what are we saying about drugs? What are we saying about drugs? How? Man, no. Yeah, okay. What? How did you get that so quickly? What? My man. Fast. That guy was so fast. He got like 3 10s. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. Dirt, wood, stone, gold, netherrack, and... What? No way. I'm fast, okay? Bro, that's my fastest time. And he beat that in like 3 seconds. Oh, no way. This guy is definitely on something. No. There's no way. No way. Oh, how is this guy winning? I don't get it. He's gonna finish this in like 2 seconds. Just you wait and watch. Okay. Go this way. Go this way. Go this way. No, we have to go this way. Okay. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, what? Guys. Ow. At least I'm dead. No, I went the wrong way. Ah, god damn it. God damn it. Bruh. I was like right here. I just made it. Oh my god. I hate this. I suck at this. I fail this all the time. Oh, follow son, it'll take you to victory. Minecraft drugs best. Drugs no good. Minecraft drugs. Actually, I posted on Instagram, like a really long time ago, what is your favorite drug? And I put mine is the speed pot. and then everyone else that replied to the story, I think I put actual drugs. And I was like, bruv, you know this was a joke, right? These were like mostly my friends though. I was like, guys, you know this, everything I said here was like mainly a joke, right? Like, I did not actually mean real. Iron Man! Bruv, my man, the legend himself, it's been like, what, a month? Hello, Iron Man. How are you doing, big man? Hello, Tony Stark. Big D. Hello, Big D. How are you? Oh, Big D. Oh, Big D. Big D. Oh, it's been too long, Big T. Come on. Nah, L. No. Come on, I need to regain. My power. Regain my power. Oh, come on. Oh, I didn't even get it. I agree with you. Hello, Big D. How are you, Big D? I failed this. Yep, there's no way I'm getting this. Come on, unless you... How are these guys so fast? How are you so fast? How are you, Big T? I'm booting Hypixel now, yours. Alright, let's go. You should join because it's just me in a moment.
Tommy in it moment.
A lot of people compare me to Tommy in it. Get this stupid party man. Get this stupid party man. Get his eyes. Good job. Why? Why'd you get rid of me? That's cool. I am so excited for it though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yaris, just wanted to pop by to say hello and hope you're having a good day. Smile.
Thank you.
Enjoy having a good strayer. D.
Thank you, man. I hope you're having a good day too. How are you doing, big man? By the way, chat. I found a fan account. The rare Eoris TikTok fan account. It's actually a bit odd because a lot of like the TikToks I like to repost, but then some of the TikToks are actually like, oh, okay, that's kind of cool, you know? I'm good. I'm doing fairly well. My mouth hurts because I had new braces, so they hurt a bit. Oh, damn it. So yeah, but I'm fine though. I hope you're doing well. I found it. Yeah, no, Epic found it and sent it to me. But then I actually went and checked out the entire TikTok in its entirety, and I was like, yo, this is kind of sick. No, man. No, how is this guy like... What? This guy's sniped. I'm literally crap at this game. I'm so bad. Normally... No, stop!
Everyone stay hydrated and make sure to get enough sleep. Also, happy
Come
Pride
on!
Month.
No! I need the TNT, man! Oh, god damn it. Damn it. Well, thank you, Shell. I hope you stay hydrated too. I'm saying... Oh, man, look at them. GG gamers. Well done. Alright, we got 5 people. Iron Man. No, he left! Iron Man left! Iron Man, my man. Why'd he leave? I was literally just about to start playing some Iron Man music. Oh, man. Wait, let's see if I can summon... Hello? I don't get enough sleep. Well, you should get some more sleep. I didn't leave. Oh, it says you left it there. Your name in red. That's so weird. Okay, what are we doing? Next game. Wait a minute. Oh, yes.
Murder
I like
mystery.
that. I like that. I almost forgot about that. Let's do murder mystery. Okay, Iron Man music. Let's go. Iron Man theme. I don't think he has a theme. I'm pretty sure his theme is literally just AC/DC. Hold the way. I'm pretty sure it's just AC/DC. No, this is him building his suit. No. Go ACD. Why not? Really hot. Clap. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, I didn't clap. There we go. That's a clap. Look at this boot. Why are you? No, don't. What are you? How am I moving? I'm dead. Look at my arms. It doesn't make sense. I am dead. Stop moving. Idiot. You're a murder. I'm died. Why did they? Why did? Who's this? Who's this? Ken. Bruh. Yo, thank you so much for the 1 bit. Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise on an escalator. It's going upstairs, so see you later. Bye bye.
Thank you for dropping by, Eli. Thank you so much. Very fun to hang out and chat with you, my dude. I hopefully will see you in my next stream. Hope you have a good day at work, man. I hope you have a good day at work. Okay. Mayonnaise on an escalator. Going up an escalator. Such a good one. Where's Iron Man hiding? I actually want to know. Bruv. Oh my god, run! Run! They're right behind you! Keep running! Keep running! They're right behind you! Go! Go, Iron Man, go! Go, Mr. Stark! Keep running, Mr. Stark! No, Mr. Stark. No, Mr. Stark, I don't want to go. I don't want to go, Mr. Stark. Hello, Drimiv. How are you? How are you doing? Oh man, I should have said that as I was dying. See where I'm hiding. Alright, Tech. Uh-oh, I actually missed. Okay, where are you hiding, Tech? Oh, you're hiding. Wait, what is? Oh. Wait, where is this? Oh, uh-oh. Oh. I did not know this was a thing. I didn't know this race existed. Here's the kill. Play the threat. I don't know what I'm saying. Tired, AF, lol, but we here. Thanks so much for dropping by, man. How I hope you know. You have a good day today. You know, like you'll get better. Gotta probably have your tea or coffee. I don't know what people have in America. Probably coffee, but you know I don't have either. I'm like 18. And all right, not the point. So chicken on a dead man. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Get rest. Where's Iron Man? Iron Man won. Iron Man did it. And now.
A painting seems too sus.
A painting seems sus. It does. Play to kill. No. Oh, thank you so much for the 1 bit.
Drink tea, bro.
You can. Tea is actually. I like ice lemon tea. You know, I actually do drink tea. Ice lemon tea. But that's like, you know, when I go out at a restaurant and whatnot. Oh, get the thrill. Play the kill. No. Alright, no, I'm done with the song. The song's done with me. I'm done with it. Let's go, oh, this song is nice. I like this. Alright. Oh, woman. Hello, woman! Alright, where is Iron Man? I must protect... Oh, is that Iron Man? That's Iron Man, right? I don't know. Mr. Stark? Mr. Stark! Follow you, Mr. Stark! Don't worry, Mr. Stark! I'll protect you, Mr. Stark! Mr. Stark! Nope, tea is more healthy. No, that's true, yeah, tea. Because ice lemon tea is so sugary. Hello, Back Incorporated. Mr. Stark! Shut up. Okay, man. All right. I just have to Mr. Stark this game, okay? Is that even Mr. Stark? I don't know. Okay, I have an obsession. I'm a pop soda guy. That's understandable, you know. But having that in the morning is it's a bit of a what's the word? What's the good word? It's a bit of an uh-oh moment, you know? It's a bit of an uh-oh moment. Because it's just like, no, my friend! Okay, nice job. Techno was the murderer? I thought so. He wanted to kill me. He was chasing me the entire time. The coffee is better. I mean, everyone has your preferences, you know? Everyone has their preferences. I have Sprite next to me because it's Burger King. Okay. Gamers, question. How many of you guys use straws? How many of you guys use straws? Alright, that's the important question here. Are you a straw user? I wasn't. Wouldn't kill my favorite content. Sure, buddy, sure. Sure, not sus at all. This is such a good song. Not sus at all. Okay, we're changing games after this. How many people do we have? We got 6! We got 6 people! Why does Iron Man's name keep showing up as red? That's a bit of an odd moment. Not so. Uh-oh, we gotta go back this way. We gotta go back this way. We gotta go back. Murderer is around here. The murderer is here. Hey, yo, fam. I don't want to go do nothing there. I saw you and said no. Did you really? Oh, is that what you're trying to say? That you were going to say no, but you didn't say no. Wait, who is the murderer? I'm so confused. Let's just jump down here. I totally played that off really well. It's that guy. It's that guy in the black hat. Keep me safe. I told you, it's the guy in the black hat. No, never mind. He died. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who committed the crimes? Who did it? Who has done the stubborn stab? Who has stabbed and killed the people? Who is the okay, there's literally just one person who's died. I think he just left. No, just that person. Oh wait, no, that means the guy in the black hat's still alive. Oh no, somebody died. Oh wait. It's him! Shoot him! Shoot him, Iron Man! Shoot him! Who committed the crimes? Who's the crime? Only I can be the crime boy. None of you are the crime boys. What's wrong with me? I'm not the murderer. I'm empty. It is that man over there. You got to just shoot him. Just shoot that man over there. Shoot him. Just go ahead and shoot him. Alright, I need to shoot. I'm gonna shoot somebody. Alright, I'm gonna shoot someone. Everyone literally has a bow. It's like everyone could be the murderer. Guys. Why would you do that? She's the murderer! She's the murderer! Iron Man's... Oh my... I shouldn't have said that. I'm so sorry. That was my bad. I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oh, the person I adored and looked up to. The person I adored and looked up to. Oh. Betrayed. Mr. Stark. Mrs. Stark. No, Mrs. Stark. No, why would you do that, Mrs. Stark? Damn, that was so unexpected. Alright, who's the remaining people? Eli, and then Rex. How did this guy survive? What? Oh, there's Eli. Run, Eli, run. Run, Eli, run. Oh, no. The murderer is looking in the right spot. The murderer is in the right spot. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, I have captions. I'm dead crap, I know. There's cheese on my fingers. I have cheesy fries, okay? Why I just stuffed like 4 fries in my mouth. You know, and they've got a lot of cheese. So it's kind of like... Come on, gamers! Eli, I think you won. I think you got this, Eli. Good job, man. Good job. 180 them! 180 them! 180 them! Oh my god. Alright, switching games. We switch games. We do some 3v3 bed wars. Oh my god. Hi, Pixel! Get good! Let's be private. Oh no. Oh no, Tech. Tech, are you gonna join back? No, more murder mystery? Hydrate, thank you for the hydrate. No, okay, we'll go back to Murder Mystery after, alright? We'll go back to Murder Mystery after. Who's my not found? I forgot who this is. I just have a random friend I don't know anything about. Oh no. Oh, that sounds so bad. Oh no, I'm so sorry. If I can get my own tea. Yo, imagine. I want to be in your team. No, because then there's gonna be 4 people on my team. Actually, no, I'll be on a random team. I'll be on a random team, and I'm on Team Blue. Well, you got your wish. Wait, no text on red. Ba-da-bop, 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 ba-da-da-da.
We need murder mystery soon.
Alright, we'll go back to Murder Mystery. Is yours the best? What was the other option? No. I want to know what the other option is. What was the other option? No, I swear, people. I swear, people. Wait. Where's the poll? Manage poll. View results. What were the options? The best? Cool? Ah, thank you, guys. I am truly the best. I'm so cool and so awesome. Oh, man. They call me the best of the best because I am truly the best of the best. Eurus. God damn. Awesome. Is God. Best Minecrafter. Better than Technoblade. Technoblade is what again? Yeah. You know. Oh man. I mean, Technoblade is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I was gonna say a pretty bad joke, but I'm not gonna say it. Bye. I'm Absa. Thank you for dropping by. Bye. Oh man, that's so sad that you leave. Why you gotta leave me? I'm joking. You can leave whenever. Honestly, I'm not holding anyone hostage. No one's held hostage here. It'd be kind of weird if I did hold someone hostage, because that is totally illegal, and no one's held hostage here.
Techno never dies.
That's true. Techno does never. No! The bed was right there! Oh my god. And they killed me. And Tech Sun got my bed. Bro! The bed was open. Oh man. Let's do one more, okay? Let's do one more. I was so close. I was so goddamn close. They were too good. Oh, Degree! Hello, Oh, Degree! Wait, why didn't he join? It was always... I don't always die. I'm a good gamer. I'm a god gamer. Oh, I almost started choking for a second. Oh my god, water? I'm drinking more Sprite. Weirdly, I don't have any water. A Sprite and the cheesy fries. Bro, I'm gonna get fat. Oh. But good thing I have a good metabolism that burns off all my calories. Oh man. Alright, here's a weird thing, okay? I have like pretty skinny arms, you know, like they're kind of skinny-ish. Then, you know, my stomach's a bit fat, you know, a little bit, not that much, okay? And then my legs are pretty average. I got pretty average legs. But my face is I have a beard. I have to shave though. I'm gonna probably shave today. Oh man, I haven't shaved. Why am I playing the same song? Shut up. Shut up. I don't play this. No, I don't want to play dream music. Shut up, Dream. Sorry, Dream. Please, Dream. Don't cancel me, Dream. Oh no, the dreams! The dream stands! Oh no, dream stands. Please, dream stands. Let's not do it. Please, put the dream stands. Okay. Okay, we're good. Good. We're good. Activate true ultimate power. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I'm just gonna... I struggle at building upwards while also building sideways, you know, like I can't build this and then do that. I find it kind of tricky. I call it the battleship. Bro! I'm good. I'm good. What the heck do I go? Where do I go? Oh, god damn it. God damn it! How do I get up here? God damn, son! No! Oh my god. Okay, at least we're good here. I'm out of blocks. God damn it. They have no... I wish I had more blocks. Ah! You know, actually, wait. I'm gonna master this game. Master. I'm being the true master that I never had. My master. Okay. Hello. Hello, person. Hello, person. Hello, person. Oh, there's 2 people. I'm out of here. I am out of here. What are they doing? What are they? They're both rushing us. They're both rushing us. This is not good. This is not a-okay. Fam! What? Hey, yo, fam, man. That's not cool. That's still not cool. That's not cool, man. That's not cool. That's not cool. Oh, no. Oh, damn it. So close. Thank you for the,
What type of master?
Uguay master. Master Uguay. I need Master Uguay in my life. Oh, Uguay master. He's the true master. He's the one and only. Alright? Master Uruguay is the one and only. There's no one else apart from Master Uruguay. And Master Shifu, I guess. And what other masters? What other masters could we possibly have in this time and age of greatness? It's a good question I ask myself every day. Okay, I missed that jump. This nice iron on. No! Oh, hello, Techno, son. Hello, Tech. No! I'm good here. Oh, god damn it. I took so much fall damage there. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Oh, god damn it. Oh, degree. Ah. Water, beard. Oh, god. Okay, here's the thing I don't like about the Tommy Innit stance. Oh, come on. I hit you. Get him! 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 Get this man! Get this man! Alright, good job, team. Okay, here's the thing I don't like about Tommy Innit fans, alright? Man gets beard, and man gets rid of beard because fans said so. That's a bit much in my opinion. He literally, like, you know, everyone was like, no, Tommy, get rid of the beard. And he did. The amount of pressure his fans put. Oh, man. In my opinion, I would just be like, I'd be like, guys, listen. I'm so godly that I have a beard. Now shut up. I would have literally said that. Oh, Techno. Techno, how are you alive? I got him, though. That's pretty cool. But I don't like that, you know? Like, as much as I like, you know, the community getting involved and, you know, being active with, you know, my life or whatever, it's just, you know, there's a certain amount which is, like, is a bit much, in my opinion, you know? Like, there's a certain oh, degree, good and bye. Oh, what? Oh, man, this is not good. Your fans are interesting. They are. They're basically, whatchamacallit? You know, like, I'm pretty sure the most of them are just women. I mean, that applies to the Dream. That applies to Dream fans. Like, a large majority of them are women. But here's the thing, women run the world for content creators. I'm not gonna lie there, alright? I'm not gonna lie there, they do. Literally, you wanna sell merch? Don't worry. Your female audience got you. It's mental though. It's so true that it's like, it's not, you know, I don't know. I have nothing against it to say personally. It's just, I find it quite interesting. Oh, degree, my man. Oh, I'm dead here. Yep. GG, gamers. Women, we do love our women. That sounds so weird. Oh, man. Guys, don't clip any of my out of content. That's just saying, do clip everything. Such a good song. No more. You guys are too good at this game. Alright? You guys are too bloody good at the game. Alright, how many people do we have? We got like 7. We could do... Yeah, thank you again so much for that 1 bit. Man.
I love all the women.
How many bits have you given, man? That's so much. You don't have to. You can just stop. We love women. True, we all do love women. Who doesn't love women? I just realized, probably gay people. I'm joking. All right, that's just.
Give me women.
That's a bad joke. Okay, that was a very bad joke. Probably. I killed myself with that joke. No, I actually. Okay, funny thing. I accidentally did a face reveal when my friend took over my stream. I showed my face, but I instantly deleted the VOD, so no one, so like only a few people saw, but they were not fast enough to clock what had just happened. So everyone was like, huh? Why did it end? It's so weird. But a few people did see my face, and I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't looking that good that day. Honest to say personally, okay? I wasn't looking. I did privates. Damn it, man. He loves women too much. True,
He
I
loves
do.
women too much.
I do, you know. I love him so much. I'll go steal them. I'll go steal them. You know. I'll go steal them from the men. Oh my god. Oh please. No, I'm not. I would never. I would never. Okay, gamers. I would never commit such crimes. Hang on. Let me play some music. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Hello, Techno-san. Follow me, Techno-san. Let's go. I am innocent. Okay, who's truly innocent though, you know? Who is truly an innocent mind? Alright, Neptune, give me cool powers. I want cool power. I am cursed. Yo! No! I turned around, I just got stabbed. Ah!
Women.
Women, am I? Chat, women, am I right? Women, am I right? Chat, let's get some emotes, man. Guys. Emotes? Emote spam? A little bit of emote spam? A little bit of emote hype? Can we get a bit of emote hype? You know, for those that have the what do I call it? The subs. If you have the subs, you can use a lot more emotes than the people who are just following. Followers can also use the emotes, but guys, emote, you like some emote hype, you know, emote top of them. Also, guys, I'm thinking of streaming for like roughly 6 hours today. Alright, what are your thoughts? I've decided let's do it for 6 hours. Cause why not? Why not? Oh my god. Can we do TNT? Oh, okay, sure. I'm down for some TNT tag. Hello, Chalky. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? I saw you joined the game. I hope you're doing well. Man has a stick. Man has a stick. No, it's like what? Yeah, 6 hours. Because I want to stream till 10. Then an extra hour, so it'll be 11. Oh, so just keep going through 12 and just 7 hours.
We sacrificed our lives to the statue, lol.
The statue? Oh, that's true. We did. Neptune give us gift, then he kill us. Is Neptune a Greek god? I feel like Neptune is a Greek god. Personally to say, I like the Norwegian gods. Alright, you know, like Thor, Hela, Valkyrie. Yo! Thank you so much for the 100 bits again, man. That's man.
Give him a young woman, the younger the better XD.
No. That's a bit that's a bit far. I am 18. You know, I am technically no longer a minor. Okay. Last murder mystery, and then we do TNT tag. I like murder mystery too much, gamers. I like murder mystery too. All right, but you know, I'm 18. It's been okay. No. Wait. Okay, I have a good shot. This one? I think it's this one. No, it's this one.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink?
Eat too much and you'll
get
sick. Shrimps are guaranteed drinks. Yeah! Get straight up betrayed. Lol, I thought that was an advertisement. I know this is a good
No,
shot.
God, please, no!
I want to learn.
Not
that.
even close,
I'm
baby!
learning, man.
Technoblade never dies!
Where are they? Hiding! Where are they all hiding? What the heck? Like 4 people. How? How can I not see 4 people? Oh, that's one. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What is that? Whoa, what?
フラミンゴ意味不明だけど面
Oh.
白いでしょ虹色に染まった
Two
世界
people all
地
agree.
球のどこか
All
で
agree.
むしゃむしゃ食べてフラミンゴはピンク色に染まっていくぜ One, two, three
Hello, Goodman. One that. Wait, no, there's one more person. Oh crap, I'm an idiot. Oh no, 2 minutes. Yeah, I can find him. I can find him. I can find him. Where is he? Ah. Oh. What the heck? What the heck? He's upstairs. He's gotta be upstairs, right? Oh, I won. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah. My character died on air. True. That's very true. Alright, TNT tag now. Okay. Now we do TNT tag. What? No! 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 Shrimps do you have to eat before your skin turn pink? Eat too much and you get sick. Shrimps are pretty rich. Don't you
date fetus.
don't date that is I'm pretty sure it's possible to date a fetus. This song's nice. Alright, this song's so good. I love. Wait, slash peep. Actually, let's do private. Privates are not bad. Oh man, Iron Man left. Goodbye, Iron Man. Oh, I'm being targeted by. Why? No, I'm not being targeted. In the loud house, da 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 da. In the loud house, in the loud house, ba 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 da ba ba ba. I stand you that. You did that stand, didn't you? Okay, I stand there. Oh no! Why did everyone leave them? Why nobody likes him. Everyone just leaves. Everyone leaves it. Uh oh. Yeah, sure. You know what? I'll leave. No, I don't mind. Yeah. Ah no. Oh yes. Okay, my parkour skills. My mad parkour skills. My mad parkour skills.
Speed and Quake Pro for the win. I can see the whole screen.
Really? In the loud house, ba 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 da ba 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 da da. In the loud house, in the loud house. Iron Man, bye. Oh, see you later, Iron Man. Thank you so much for dropping by. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. I really enjoyed playing with you. That's very. 1v6, just beat him up. No. Let's not do that. Let's not do that, gamers. Let's not do that. That's very. No. Why? It's played twice. Why does that play twice? Stop. Oh. I like this song actually. I like this song. Pretty interesting. Oh, goddamn. Okay, where's the murderer? I mean, where's the? What did you say, murderer? Where's the guy with the do? What's it do to man? He just fell. Eli, I saw you fall. I saw you fall, Eli. Eli, I thought you had to go to work. What happened, man? What happened, big man? Don't you have to go to work? Everybody hit ears off. No, ears. Are you advertising Loud House? Here's the thing. I like the show, alright? I haven't watched every single episode. I've watched quite a few episodes. Not gonna lie. It's pretty interesting. That's coming from an 18-year-old. Hey, yo, fam. Oh, degree, man. Oh, degree. Oh, crap. Why? Why would you do that? No, fam! No, fam! No, fam! Yeah, what are you gonna do now? Yes! No! How? I thought I juked this, man. I thought I got this, man. Oh, degree! Why do you remind me of Doctor Strange? Why does he? Yeah.
Loud House fanfics are wild.
Ah, man, that has. Really? Oh man, a degree also blew up. It's just Eli and the Beast. They got this now. Oof. Oh, the true battle right here. Let's play some. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. Gonna win. Oh my god. It's the man. Oh my lord. Oh look, let's go. The battle's unreal. They've got 20 seconds. It's a Battle between Eli and Boosts. I don't know, Randy Weinstein. I hate work. Bro, but you should, bro, don't you need to live? Come on. Oh, damn. Oh, no, Eli's gonna lose here. He's got 3, 2, 1. They both died. It's a draw. The crowd goes wild. It's never been happened before. Ah. I made my mom read fanfics, but she doesn't speak English. Oh my god. Oh my god. She was probably like, what is this? What is this? That was absolute. Oh, you know what? You know what's a good one? You know what's a good one? TNT Run. Let's make this mad, okay? You make this absolutely mad.
Phineas and Ferb is for the win.
True, Phineas and Ferb is pretty sick. I enjoy Phineas and Ferb. Oh! Oh crap. Oh crap. Wait, are you able to hit people with this? I'm so confused how this works. So confused how this works. What is these snowballs for? Ah, damn it, no! No! The snowballs do nothing! They're so useless! I'm coming for you, buddy. I'm coming for you. Oh, crap. Oh! Oh, I lagged! What is that? What is that? Go, 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 go. I mean, oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh, come on. I was reading chat. Oh, man. Oh, man. Good guy. Am I the first one out? I'm the first one out. What the heck? Bruh. I was the first one out. What? Bro, how do you type? How do you type? How do you type? At least I ain't ignore it. Okay, buddy. Man, he just typed. Oh, well, he's trying to type here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, he was so close. He hit his head. That's over for him. It's over for him. Goodbye. No, 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 no. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye. The real 3 battle now. Who's gonna? Whoa, Chucky. Chucky's flying through this. Type in 100 words per minute. That's kind of slow, is it not? 100 words per. Just type high. Yo! Handsome Lewis in with the prime! Thank you, big man, Handsome Lewis. That's a very, very kind
Handsome
of you.
Lewis
Oh,
just
man.
subscribed.
Thank you so much for the prime, my friend. That's honestly just. Thank you so much. Oh, you're so kind. Oh, man. Oh, man. We might get a hype train now. If somebody else subscribes. Twitch Prime. Chat, if you have Twitch Prime, just hit the little subscribe button. We might get close to getting a hype train. That's pretty sick, right? Yeah, good. But thank you, honestly, thank you very much for the Prime. I'm trying to be a bit more consistent, gamers. I'm trying to be a bit more active on every team. So yeah, you go next to me. Oh, wait, what? I don't know. You can start hype train with bits. That's new. Thank you so much for the 100 bits, LZ. Man, and you know, you've given so much. Stop. Just stop. It's way too much. Stop. Man, you don't have to. That's proud of you. Alright, different game. We switch up games. What game should we do, gamers? Any suggestions? I have to go eat. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Sure, no problem. I just gifted my my friend 5 subs, so I'm out of money. Bro, it's okay. You don't have to worry. You guys don't have to spend money on this, okay? That's why I always say Prime, because priming is free and it costs absolutely nothing. I played it's close. It is pretty close. But again, thank you everyone. I mean, even getting the starter hype train. It's pretty mad. Oh! Oh, man, thank you so much. I don't think that
Get
actually
a new
worked.
keyboard from Red Dragon Bro.
Thank you very much. You know, I'll look into it. I'll look into it. Because I don't wanna. Okay, what game? Skywars. Okay, we're doing Skywars then. A choo-choo train. A choo-choo train. Choo-choo. My fries are cold. Oh man. Gotta go. Alright, no problem, man. Thank you so much for dropping by. By the way, gamers, after the stream, I'll be on Discord in a VC. If you guys want to hang out and chat there, that's cool. Ghidorah! I'm so sorry if I missed. I remember. Gotta pronounce your name. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? We're doing a bit of open play, mate. Alright. I'm going pickaxe, gamers. I'm going only pickaxe this game. Alright, only pickaxe. What? Why did this song stop playing? Bop, bop, bop. This song's so goated, man. This song's so goated. Alright, baby. Next time. No, I can't fight you. You got too much good stuff. Uh-oh, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Ah! Oh, the juke's on. Okay, we get this, and now I just kill you. Now I kill you. Now you die. Now you die. Now you messed up, buddy. You messed up. I died. You got too much good armor. It's brightly and it's okay, guys. It's okay, man. LZ, you're giving too many bits, my friend. Stop. The blue sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. So wrong. Blue sky, please tell us why you had to hide. Yo. Now you start to one bit. Bro, stop giving me bits. Stop it. I don't. Nah, man. No. It's too many. It's too much. You know, I wish I could have a cap on the amount of bits people are able to give. Because honestly, that's too much. Like, per person, okay? Because it's just too many bits, my man. Too many. Goddamn too many. Hey, you with a pretty face. Welcome to the room. Bro, oh, man. I don't know what Amazon or Twitch are doing, but they are messing up Twitch, in my opinion, okay? Bro, stop. It does. I don't know. The hype train's broken. Alright, James. Okay. I don't know why not working. You keyboard time, bro. Okay. Thank you so much. You stop giving me your bits. I don't need your bits, my friend. You literally. You've also boosted the Discord server. Oh my god. This man. Literally. Oh my god. Oh, that's so. Honestly, the mercy. Oh, I just killed him as well. Yes, that's what you get. Stop giving me your money. Stop giving me your money now. Alright? I'll keep targeting you. Stop giving me your money. I did that on purpose. Totally did that on purpose. Oh my god. It's a bit regular,
It's a bit
bro.
regular, bro.
What does that mean? Oh, killing. Oh yeah, that is. It was. You did it right. But you got us Mr. Knight. Da-da-da. And his hands up on your shoulder. Bro! Uh-oh. Oh, man. Why would you do that? I'll remember you this. That's why you had to do. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. It go wrong. Hello, good man. Oh, man. You and your stupid ways.
What is this playlist?
This is epic place. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. I am going to die. I am going to die. I don't know what's wrong with me. What is this playlist? It's just a random playlist. Because my playlist ended, so it just started playing. It's on autoplay, so it just went to Mr. Blue Sky for some reason. I'm breaking. Stop, my man. Stop giving me. Oh my god, he just spammed a bitch. What? Why? Why are you spamming bits? It's just my guy. My God. Which name is backwards? Name an opera. Yeah. If your Twitch name backwards is a name of an opera, then you will die today. I don't even know who. Honestly, pull up and find out. Let me know. All right, bro. Why? It's annoying. It's actually annoying now. Like my man, please, just stop. Get some help. Just stop. Get some help. Yo, at least use the sound alerts. Okay. If you want to use your bits, all right, fine. At least use the sound alerts because there's actually cool. All right, there's some actual sounds you can use for your bits. All right. Oh man. Oh man. Just oh man. Let's go. Yeah. Just took 10 seconds to write his name backwards. He is the smarter. True, I am smart. All right. This is what we do. This is what we do. We do laboratory. Backbeat, kick, offline. We do laboratory. We do solos and we do slime. Alright, because it's a stick. Let's go. One instead of hype train. How about money train? What isn't each bit like 1 cent to them? And then I get taxed on top of that. Oh man. The tax. The tax. Well, the tax is mainly because of PayPal, so I lose out on it. It's fine. See, I'm yeah, you know how we talk about women? Women are too good. When they say it's fine, it's not fine. They have a problem. They have mental. Who is this? Chalky? I'm not gonna go. Chalky's too. I like Chalky. Chalky's like, come on. Yes! Yes! I got like the knockback 1 billion. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Like my man.
Instead of hype train, how about money train?
Oh. Come on. I have to smack one of these boys out. Yeah. Yeah. Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't want your money. I don't want your money. Get rid of his money. Quick, kill him. Oh my god. I'm literally just constantly hitting him and Huh? I'm so confused. To make 100 bits. Actually, if you go to the top where it shows the gifted and you click to the side, I'm a seeker. God damn, bro. I hate you. You can see man's given
You're too loud,
656. That's just the way I am though. I'm just a loud man. What can I say? Why? Why am I this man? How many people? 45. Okay. I was wondering. I thought we had 6. Who left? Oh, degree left.
Keyboards like my heart. It shines
An RGB. Thank you for dropping by, degree though. Thank you very much.
His face keeps appearing on the screen, lol.
Eh? This damn face. Oh yeah, no, Kappa. His face does, yep. I should make it smaller. No, but I can't because hello? Hello? Why are you running? Why
You're
are
too
you
loud
running?
for your
Oh my
house.
God. Actually, no. Is he dead? I think I may have killed him. Bruv!
Twitter feeds like my
I discovered
brain.
him. Oh, he changed. That makes sense. I was so confused. Hello, tech son.
But that's why they call it the loud house.
True. True. As a profile picture.
of her gorgeous face to
Try
try
and
and get more sponsors. Try and get more sponsors. Why don't you care?
Bro, where are these?
The past 10 years of my life making you bad.
Bro, where are they hiding? Oh my God.
Not contrary, sexual enough, but not enough to scare me.
Thank you, Jen. Loud House next. You want to play? You want
Loud
me to play-
house next.
Like, you want me to play the song? Loud. Oh, I got somebody. Who's left? Who's left? There's 2 people left. What the heck?
Look, I know I must sound insane,
Saying
but that's
out
part
of
of
the
the
package.
package. If she can't handle me at my worst, she don't
I
deserve
deserve my mental. But where is
Though
everybody?
you want 6 foot
Where is
4,
everybody?
I'll almost be tall enough to reach the
I shall be
your incel. I think I might be a threat to myself.
Yeah! Yeah! Alright, now we just have Mr. Big Man. We have Big Man. We have Big Man Eli. Lol. What? The face is. What? The face is inside of me now, and that's. Okay, that's a really. Where are they? Oh, I know where to chat. Oh, or not.
I just want to appease. The internet's ruined me.
Hi. Oh, I see him. I got him, Lord. Let's go. The best one. I'm gonna reply to myself again. Oh no, that's a bit. Alright, changing games. That game was kind of dead, honestly. Game. Give me woman.
Give me woman.
I can't give. I don't think. It's not like I have a bunch of women in my basement. I don't even have a basement. Together. We used to sleep on cold together. Random game. Nothing. Oh. What game we're doing? Hole in the wall. Okay. All together. Let's sleep on cold. Alright, let's do a bit of hole in the wall. Private? It is private. Oh no.
Oh, you're welcome, Andrew.
It is
So, did you learn anything
fun.
important today?
Are you kidding?
I guess you
can't
can't
go
do
another
private
day
hole-
without the
oh.
internet.
Peter showed me
Good.
how to look up all the information I need on
Oh,
this new
weird.
project.
Oh, you know what else we could do?
We looked at small
That doesn't want to. We disable private, and then first quickly, hype. How do I give hype?
Basement full of women.
Oh, I don't have a basement. Giving all my hype to Pixel Party, and we're playing some Pixel Party. Yours, I will move into your non-existing. Bro, I don't even have. That's first of all illegal because you're a minor, and then secondly, I don't really have a basement. I have a storage place underneath my stairs, but you know, no one can live there because it's literally unlivable. There's so much stuff in storage and suitcases. So honestly, I don't really have a basement. It's not even a basement. It's literally just a storage room underneath my stairs. Bruh.
It's 2:45.
God, oh my god. Oh my god. God, where's the woman? Follow the woman. Follow the woman.
Woman's storage place.
Oh. It's non-existing, so then I can move in there. Oh, okay. Oh, I just shoot them. Follow the woman. Oh my god. Hello. Hello, woman. No, she's gonna die, bro. How did everyone be such a? Oh, that's so dumb. That's such a dumb, guys. Guys, how? How? How have you, bro? There's literally like 8 people remaining already. Poppin'. That was just way too fast. She's beauty. She's grace. She has a profile picture of an anime girl's face.
Just a single message once.
Rubbing up my ears on
He gets all the women.
That's true. That's true. I always do. I just done that little saxophone music and bam, I got it. Crap! I was gonna say damn it, but I wanted to say crap instead. I didn't press my jump! Damn it. That weird crap, please don't put that again. My awful crap. Connection. Alright, who's alive? We have Eli. That's it, Eli. I'm in love with. Yeah, guys, send me some duels. Don't send me UFC duels. Yeah. Let's see the word. Oh no. I hate those words. Like.
Punched a hole through my bedroom wall. I'm not aggressive, just ooze masculine.
Now you pre-gap. Why would you gap? You know, I also got depression. Self-diagnosed, thought I should mention.
I thought you could be the one to fix me.
Bruv! Ah, crap. I should have. I was not focusing enough. That's why I hate this game. It's too tanky. Meanwhile, I find other people to talk with. Good song, man. Such an absolutely good song. Bro, guys, can you do a bit of classic duels, please? I like my classic duels, okay? Or bow duels, you know, anything like that. I'm in love with them. Oh, he's gonna. Are you?
We need him to get a woman for his woman needs.
That's really weird. That's really weird. What women needs do I have? What's the woman needs I have? Why did I? Okay, what is this? What is this? Constant in every dimension. Body weeps. Desperately sets an invention. What the flip? Why can I not hit?
I wanna be the guy that you find
Yep, unlimited arrows.
your affection. You social
Media scours. Oh, that was a really dumb
You seek police
intervention.
'Cause
I base my ideals.
on obsessive media. Maybe
Oh, come on.
your response.
Stop.
Women,
stop.
hot beverage, hot beverage, hot beverage, hot beverage, hot
Why?
beverage.
Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that, beverage? Yeah, okay, let's... Stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Can you stop running? Please just stop running. Please just stop running. It's over. Yeah, it's over. 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 It's over.
A hot
Game's
beverage
done.
woman.
Game's done here. Game's done here. Game's. Oh, you did it.
form of communication, electronic mail.
A hot beverage woman. True. True. Let's go. Use caps all the time, please. Man, Man, soon I'm gonna take a screenshot of this man, bit man, and draw on it. Why? Oh my god, that's Gaffer. You don't know Gaffer? Are you guys done, by the way? Are you guys done? Oh no, I know everyone hates that game. Come on, me and not him. Gamers, let's do a bit of murder mission. He's in your bed and I'm in your Twitch chat. Murder mystery. Where is the loud house? Oh yeah.
Where is the loud house?
Okay, I'll play the loud house. Free loud house advertisement. Free loud house advertisement. Oh. Ba da ba 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 ba. Ba da na 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 na. The loud house in loud house, ba 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 in the loud house, in the loud house. Bow. Ba 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 da 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 na. You're welcome to that one. Good mod. Good place, good mod, good Eurus. What? It's a good house. What can I say? How did I miss? In the loud house, pop pop. Good, yeah! The loud house, in the loud house, pop pop. My goal. Oh, Club Penguin, man! Club Penguin, man! Hey, yo, Club Penguin. Club Penguin. Want to go? You want to go, buddy? Oh, nah, he got me. That's a good one. The goal was to try to win before you killed me. Well, obviously, no, the goal was trying to win before the song ended. Da-da-da-da-da. Left, tech. Tech son, bro. Why you do this to us? Why you do this? Actually, get off the tongue.
Loud Lincoln.
Loud Lincoln? Who's Lincoln? The president? Actually, he is a president. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay. Garbage on my table. Dumb Burger King. It's not dumb, it's delicious, okay? It's delicious. What's up with me and making weird sounds? It's like I'm obsessed with making weird sounds with my mouth. In the loud house. I'm changing the song. I'm sorry. I've heard it like already 4 times already.
Lincoln is the boy in the family.
Oh yeah, that's right, Lincoln. Oh! The murderer's over there! That's the murderer! It's the E-woman! Stab the woman! Get up! Shoot her! Go. Go. No! Damn it! The one once.
Women hot beverage.
Ah, they got me. I should just hit. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Drew, don't trust myself. Women, I tell you, gamers. Women, I tell you. So evil sometimes. They're so cold and heartless. Okay, I'm joking. They're not, okay? Hide, my friend, hide! Run! What are you doing? Oh, he's gonna get hit with it. Die. He is going to die. Okay, that's not bad. No, what are you? No, this is bruh. Come on, my friend. Come on, my friend. You go. Run! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was actually pretty. I wish you could actually tell how fresh the body was, because then it'd be like, okay, this person died approximately this time. But that should be a kid. Doctor. The doctor can find. Oh no, that's an Among Us kind of thing. Oh wait, we're all dead. Oh damn, I just realized we're all dead. Guys, if you're not following, gamers.
What's your favorite part of a woman, Eoris?
What? 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 Gamers, hey yo. That's a bit of a odd question. Gamers, by the way, if you guys are not following, please drop a follow. It's very, it's free. It costs nothing. If you could just hit the little follow button, it means so much. Well, how many followers we got today? Like what? 2, 3? Gamers, following is free. Would help me out so much if you could, follow. All right. My favorite part of a woman's body is. Actually, nothing, because it's all fake. But got him. The
Our
makeup, the prosthetics, everything. I'm joking. All right, I'm joking. Oh, yeah, I have very edgy jokes. If you did not realize already, I have such edginess. I'm so edgy. Yeah, everything is fake. So I like nothing. Hello, woman. Oh, I have so many issues. Yeah, I honestly. Yours antivirus blocked the MSG cheese. No, I played it off. ART. What's an ART? What's AOR? AORT. Art of War? But no, wait. AOR. Hello, woman. How are you? What is? There's another one over there. What does that mean? What's AOT? AOT. AOT. Ow! Definitely a die. I want to kill her. I'm gonna kill her. Stab her. Stab her. Okay? Stab her in the face. Stab her. Watching her. Constant watching her. Evil like a. Who is the. Bro, I swear to God. Murderer. Do something, murderer. Murderer. Do something. I swear to God, the murderer. No, it's about anti-Eoris piracy check. Checking Eoris. Oh man, guys, Eoris is original. Exactly. I am so original. I have such originalness myself. Tommy in it stole everything about me. Haha, ha ha ha. You missed. You missed. Man's trying to be dirty. I just realized man is trying to be dirty. AOT. That is so dirty. Why would you say such dirty? What is wrong with you? That is a really. It's like telling a man, do you like his A or D? It is no. No. I do not play with these. I do not play these kinds of games. These kinds of games are not cool. No. Honestly, that's it. I know a large population of my community is women, so I don't want to. Also a bit odd.
You're dirty.
What is you are calling me dirty? For you asking that dirty question? All right, what is this song, my friend? Sonic. Let's do this. Viral Mountain. Go! Oh no, guy. Nah, man. Onky. Jockey, please get rid of this Onky guy. Uh-oh. Hey, man. Go away. Go away. Don't throw anything at women. It will stab you. True. I agree. Okay. Oh, let's go. I saw him even do it. Let's go, big man. Did it. You did it. Hello. What is? Oh, hey. No, hello, the red guy. How are? Makes a great comeback. What up, man? What's up, red guy? Been a while. I see you changed your name as well. What is good, my friend? What is good? It's been too long. It has been. Wait, how are you? It's been so. I've not seen you on Discord for a long time, my good man. Hope you're doing well.
Have you tried Woman? I heard it was good.
Okay, man. All right, that's a bit weird. I'm joking. It's fine. Just let's turn it down on the womanness. Okay, let's turn it down a bit on. Yeah, hello, 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 Nina. It's a Nia, Nia. Oh my god. Oh, she's literally checking me out, gamers. That is so unprofessional. That is so not cool. She is checking me out. What is wrong with her? What is wrong with this guy? Oh my. He was checking. That is not cool. That is not cool. Why would you check? Okay, that is all. She's the murderer. She's the murderer. It's a woman, it's a woman. I'm telling you guys, it's the woman. The women never lie. Oh, give me
You
all
black bruv.
What? You black bruv? I like to do accents, but I'm not really. I wouldn't say black to say. It is Nia. It's Nia. It's Nia. Gamers, it's Nia. Gamers, I saw. It's now. I'm gonna let it be. I don't wanna snitch. Snitches end up in ditches. Okay. I'm gonna do that. We're good. We're good. We need our stress music. We need our stress music. Our stress music. Okay. Follow me, good sir. Follow me. Follow me. We're gonna go inspect. Follow me. Wait, no. Did she die? She died. Uh-oh. Got real. This got extremely real. Oh my god. This just got madly real. Where did she do her? Oh no, it is her. It is her. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, my good man. 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 My good sir. Come back to me. Come back to me. Run, 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 run. Oh, my good sir. What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's a woman
what
with a black
are you
hoodie.
doing? My good man. What is he doing? Yo! Beachy Bear. Thank you so much for the follow. It's a woman in the black hoodie. True. BG Bear. Thank you so much for the... Thank you so much for the follow, big sir. How are you? How are you, man? That's very, very appreciated. We're doing a bit of Hypixel. She is over there. What are you doing? Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. No, detective man. Follow me. This way. No, good job. See, we got it. We got it. You see, you trusted me. We did it.
Woman hot
Absolutely.
beverage old man light skin tone.
I am actually not a light skin. I'm a bit of like... Actually not gonna say. I'll let everyone assume what I am. I'll let everyone assume what I am. I like living up to people. I like living in people's fantasies for free. Is this Star Wars? It is. Hello. By the way, guys, have you watched the new Obi-Wan series? Oh, it's so good. But I'm so disappointed in the Star Wars fans. Honestly, the racism, really, that's disgraceful. That is honestly disrespectful and disgusting. All right, I'm so like annoyed at it. And I'm, personally, I get very annoyed at any amount of racism. It literally triggers me. All right, it's so like, especially America. I'm always angry at America. I'll be honest here. I'm always angry at America. Okay. Let's run away. It's not. I'm gonna follow you, Eli. No, Eli, keep running, Eli. Keep running, big man E. Keep running, Big E. You got this. E, just keep running, Big E. You got this, my guy. Uh-oh. The betrayal. Erotic. Okay, I'm not gonna allow that. That is just going to actually. Denied. Ba 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 da 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 na 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 na. Guys, man. Okay, send out a software update. You must. Oh, okay. How are you, by the way, BT Bear?
Eeyore Fan Fox.
Fan Fox. Yo. Reds, join! Reds! Hang on, wait, I need to re-queue. Let me re-queue. Damn it! Let me re-queue. Very XD. Wait, gamers. Let's re-queue. Let's double up. Let's do a bit of double up, you know? Make it interesting. How many people are in the party? We got 5! Guys, you guys want to join the party? Do slash P join the earth. Oh man, Obi-Wan. The new Obi-Wan series, gamers. Thoughts. I need thoughts right now. Thoughts. Obi-Wan series. Fun. Banana. I'm sticking close to banana, man. Banana, man. Oh! It's another. It's... Oh. Uh-oh. She looking at me. She looking... Okay, no.
I'm detecting.
Go. Let's go. Like Lala. That's pretty cool. Red is the same as Bob's. Stop twerking on me, man. That's not cool. That's very not cool. It's not poggers. Wow. Protect and serve your community. Okay. Okay, that scared me a little bit. All right. Wait. I need a different song. Crap. No. Let's hit this. No, I hate these because of the stupid TikToks. Oh, it just reminds me of TikToks. Let's do this. No! It's the woman. It's a woman. Gamers, the women lie! Okay. Come on! Fall! What? This is broken! No! What? Come on, my man. That's so dumb. Get well? Who's sick? Yours. I'm not positive anymore. I was, but not anymore. Angelica! Hello, Angelica! Welcome! How are you, Angelica?
Eeyore is brushing up to furry skin, saying it's such a nice day.
What? Huh? You're supposed to press the button. I did! Wait, there's a button? Oh my... I pressed the lever. I'm an idiot. I should have pressed... I was like, why is the lever not working? Like, it's a button. That's so
Furry
annoying.
says I agree and we should make out.
They make out? What? No. I don't... Huh? Bob, man. Okay, is everyone dead? Who's alive? Oh, we're all dead. The entire party's dead. Alright, /PL. This is a really bad idea. Doing the double. Double was such a bad idea. Classic.
They make out.
Whoa. What fanfic are you reading out? How are you, Angelica? Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. I hope you are doing well indeed. By the way, guys, if you're not joined my Discord already, please do join my Discord. We have so many fun events. Also, we're doing a little bit of a mind.
Now they have furry kid and human hybrid. It's horrible.
That is so weird. We're doing a little bit of a Discord competition recently. We've started where, you know, we're trying to get a summer Discord icon. So you go join the Discord. You know, we're trying to get it. Also, winners can receive $10. I have a bit of money. I'm gonna just give to the viewers. Okay, who's the murderer? Who is the murderer? A bear? Is that a bear? Man. Hey, yo, fam. What is this? Why does she have no pants? Put on some pants! There's a woman running at me with no pants. That is so disgusting. That's not cool, man. But yeah, no, everyone join the Discord. We're doing a little bit of a I knew it. I so knew it. The moment he came over, I knew. Yeah, we're doing a bit of a Discord competition. You know, we're trying to get a summer themed Discord icon. So if you guys have any artistic skill, you can join. Just look at the announcements. Just have a look at the announcements. There's a little bit of an announcement that happened. All I have to do is make an icon that's Eeyore themed, but in a summer theme as well. Eeyore's summer themed. Alright? And then you can use that for $10. Just for making art. That's it. As a winner. As the winner. And then I'm thinking of giving all runner-ups like $5. I'm not sure. Maybe. No. Maybe. I don't know, depending on how much money I have. Ah, man, you know, I'm not I'm not Mr. Beast, made out of money. But yeah. Finally, Epic notices the delay. Well, is there like a massive delay or something? What? Yeah, chicken. How they have her. Okay. Oh man. Oh man. See, why does she have no pants? Can she not put on? I've just zoomed in into a butt. I have just zoomed in and nobody clip that. Please don't clip that. Oh no. Oh, okay. That is a bit of a. Actually, clip that. That's funny. That's a funny moment. But yeah, let's. The bit where I say oh, I was a woman with no pants. I'm throwing the Wii now. Why are you throwing the Wii? Don't. Hello, other woman called. No, I don't like demons. No, she's a demon woman. She is evil. She is going to be the murderer. I'm guessing it already. She's murderer. By the way, guys, you guys want to join the party? Do /P joiners. /P joiners. We're gonna poo. All right, no problem. Guys, join up the party. /P join. You. Awesome. Yo, thank you so much for the 1 bit again, man. Oh man,
The
why
furry
would
kid becomes the next Eoris and is gonna preserve his father's ideas.
Are you saying I married a furry? That's a bit weird, my friend. That's a bit weird, big man. Oh my god! What was what? Huh? What?
Amber Demon alert.
What? Someone clip that, please. Clip it. Hello. Dude. Hey, demon. Hello. What is up? Oh, what is going on here? Wait, no. Nothing. There was some other women. Wait. You might be gay. Why did that rhyme? I'm a man who spits bars. All the bars I spit, I also put them into jars. With them jars, I use them for my cookies. Like, oh my god, have this woman name. Oh, I can't. Crush. Have me. I'm telling you, chat. Holy moly, she has mental problems here. She just stabbed so many people. She's got some anger issues. She's really got some anger issues. Did I actually say she has anger? Look at her.
And Eoris is really proud of his furry son and his furry boyfriend because he's too cool for women.
Whoa. Eoris being sus. I feel like there's so many Eoris sus. Yo, you know what? Can someone go through all the clips and make an Eoris sus compilation, please? Or maybe also some of the videos and, you know, YouTube videos and some of the other things. Honestly, and I would react to it on stream. Oh, that'd be so sick. That'd be so sick if someone could make an Eoris sus compilation. Oh, that would be so funny. Out of context moments as well. Just like, huh? Why did I say that again? What was I trying to say there? She is definitely angry. She is angry. Are you okay? Are you okay? Where's this other person? They're good. Holy. Okay. Trust me. There, clipped it for you. Thank you, Chalky. That's very appreciated. The thing is, weirdly,
Eoris loves the furry fur rubbing against his skin and cuddling through the night.
That's a bit much. That's a bit much, man. That's a bit. Alright, that's borderline too much, my friend. That's a bit too much. Alright, let's get down on the furriness. Alright, I don't really like furries. Okay. Alright. It's a bit weird. Alright, let's cut down on it a bit. I think I'm getting back to modding. That's sick, man. That'd be really sick. Regular mod. Problem, man. That'd be very. I mean, I'm thinking of trying to get back to being consistent. Oh, Kevin McAload. Oh, by the way, guys, did you recently see Jamie Oliver sued McDonald's and actually won?
How to get a girlfriend. Step 1, buy a Wii. Step 2, throw it at the women. She will be hypnotized and you get free GF.
Whoa. No, you don't need to. That's too expensive, okay? Too expensive.
Yo,
You're
crank up that song.
Alright. Cranking it up. No, that's too expensive. This is what you do, guys, okay? I have a better idea. Wait, is this okay? I have a better idea. This is what you do. You buy food and you throw it at her. Alright? Just buy her food and give it to her. You buy her plushies and throw it at her. And you just throw your clothes at her because she likes wearing your clothes for some reason. Okay? Wait. Alright. Apparently that's a thing. That's how. Actually, no. You only do that after you give her food. Throw food at her, and you will get everything you want. I learned that because here's the thing. Women complain so much about being hungry constantly. All you do is just give them a bit of food. You know, you give them food, bam, you are in. You are her girl. You are her boyfriend or girlfriend forever. That is it. That is how you do. I know the way, chat. I know the way.
Always
This
gonna
is the
keep
way.
extra food for women. Don't trust her. She will trick you and you don't get any more food.
True. So true. Oh my god, my sister steals so much chocolate. There's chocolate in the fridge or cookies or whatever. She goes and steals so much. Oh my god. Oh, well, not really steals. She just takes. Where's Bed Wars? Alright, how many people do we have? We got 5. 5. Sure, we can do it. We'll do a bit of solo Bed Wars. A bit of solos. 3 more. Yeah, guys. By the way, join the party if you are not in the party already. Please join the party. It is free to, you know, hang out with us. Stop. I mean, unless you have Minecraft. I meant to say it's free to follow. So, guys, follow. Button drop. That guy's definitely. He's zooming. Man, zoom. It is him. It is him. Look, he's gonna drop down. No. No. Kevin McAlote. Kevin McAlote. It is that person. Okay, not them. Then who is it? Who is it? Hello, good man. Hello, good man. Oh, who is this? It's Shocky. No, Shocky! Oh, well, okay, at least we know who it is. It's Mr. Harrison. Oh, man, Mr. Harrison, I thought you were my cool favorite teacher. Alright, different song. And let's scroll up because I haven't played any of them. Oh. Oh, damn, this is loud. Uh-oh, I forgot this shit's loud. Okay, Mr. Harrison's. I mean, I do own an Among Us skin. Oh! He tried to stab! He tried to do some stabby! No. Uh-oh, this is a bad idea. Ah! I tried to juke him. Oh my god. I was trying to go into here. And then, oh man. No, I was trying to get here. I can just hide here. That. And you fly. Back. I should have gone here instead. I should have jumped and ran around. Alright, Mr. Harrison, this is Eli. I should have just followed you. Come on, Eli. You have to get some. Oh! Oh, he walked into that one. Choo-choo, big man. Alright. Let's do some solo bedroom. By the way, chat, if you look at the sub goal, we're trying to, you know, just letting you know, if you have Amazon Prime, you can make me wear a Minecraft maid skin. I will wear. Yeah, just pointing it out. You know? They're pointing out. Private actually.
Among Us.
I don't even know who's Samster. Who is this Samster? Guys, we're doing some private solo Bed Wars. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Samster, my man, join the party. I don't know who's Samster. Samster.
Solo Best Wars.
Bye, Samster. Sorry, man. I only accept friend requests. Or unless I already know. Man's wearing a mate. See, we could have been matching. But we're nowhere close to the sub goal. The hammer is Van Hammer. Ooh. I'm sorry, I'm just stupid kid. What is going on? I feel like I'm... Alright, listen. Wait. Yeah!
Woman.
I don't think it's a chocolate. Not sure. I might be wrong. Ah, I'm so sorry. I'm assuming genders. That's not a thing. I will cancel Twitter. Oh no. God damn Twitter. Okay. By the way, chat, have you seen the new She-Hulk trailer? Oh my god. Oh my god. The She-Hulk trailer. Oh my god. So sick. So absolutely. Ba ba da 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 da. Oh no! God damn, Pinkman's gonna get there. He's gonna get there before me. Uptime has been currently playing Minecraft Live with 13 viewers for 2 hours. Whoa, that is 2 hours. 2 hours. That's pretty. Oh, he fell as well. Oh, you break bread or just stab? Let's just stab. Actually, yeah, let's break bread. Break bread. Look at everything. Oh. Gotta go fire. Gotta go fire. Gotta go fight. Haha. Bye, boy. Come on, respawn, you one. My bed's gone. My bed's so gone. Oh, what? He lagged back. What the flip? I'm gonna die. No. Holy. Uh-oh. What is he doing? What is this red man doing? Hey yo, fam! Hey yo, fam, man! No! No! I'm out. Go! Ah! Man's chasing me. I'm dead. I can't go anywhere. There's literally nowhere for me to go. Ah. Hello, good man. Oh my god! I would have died. I'm too good. Okay. I'm so lucky. So goddamn lucky. Okay. Now. Good now. I'm mad. I'm straight up good. Oh, clap. There's a clap. Oh, hey. Fun. Vibing. Nick. How do you build with wood? What happened to my... Yes! Yes! I am a master! Oh, no. Oh. Ba ba da da da. Da 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 da. Samster, wait. Oh. Yo, Bone Flicker, welcome, Bone Flicker, to the party. How are ya doing? I'm gonna. Okay, well at least we got that. That was a good one. That was a good shot. A good nice shot. Oh man. Yes! I have redeemed myself from great glory. Alright, you're getting stacked. So then it's just aqua and white. Oh, alright, reds. I'm sorry man, I have to do this. Oh, I'm so sorry about thinking that yet. Oh, no. I'm gonna try to fireball. Oh, cool. That's like... What? How did you also fall? Not fall? Oh, god damn, bro. God damn. Pink got me. How did Pink get me? Pink got the final kill. Toasty! This is Donkey Kong playing in the background. Yes, it is. Yes. No. Yeah, it is Donkey Kong. Yes, Donkey Kong Country Tropical Freeze. Temple Island Swing. Yeah. How are you, by the way, Toasty? Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. By the way, gamers, if you're not following, please follow. It is free. Children Chanter. Hello, man. So sorry I wasn't reading chat. Chocolate sauce, pudding, ice cream, and Toasty. I like my chocolate. Yo, Toasty, thank you so much for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow, big man. That's very, very appreciated. Oh, goddamn hot. Next game, wanna just 1v5 euros? Oh, sure. Why not? Let's do that. 4v2. Let's do a 4v2 instead. How about that? Alright? 4v2. Let's do a 4v2. A second, I need to let the dog inside. Alright. Oh, you have a dog? That's cool. I have a cat. My cat, you know, weirdly, you know how people say cats are lazy and horrible? My cat literally is the, like, not lazy at all. Man, like, yeah, okay, he sleeps a lot of the day. But then he goes mad. Man goes mad later. You know, he's always running about. He's always trying to play. I have a little piece of string that I just, like, you know, walk around with the house sometimes. And he just goes chasing it and playing with it and whatnot. Oh, man, man's mad. He doesn't like being carried, though. I think that's most cats. Most of the time doesn't. But he's such a baby when it comes to, like, cutting nails. Oh, and cutting his hair sometimes. He's such a big baby in that case. All the time. A second, I need... nice. I feel like dogs are like that, but with their nails. Like, you know, apart from that, they're big enough that you can shave their hair and cut their hair. Cats are small. It's hard. It's hard to cut their, like, belly hair. So, yeah. Let's see if my prepaid still has. Bro, you don't know. Okay, you don't. Oh, you dead. You dead. Man's dead. I got that final kill as well. Let's go. I fell off. Let's go. Good job. Ba-da-da-da. Alright, classic. Let's go. Some classic boots. No, it's empty. Wasted it on Minecoin. Minecoins, really? Actually, I wanna buy some Minecoins and then buy the How to Train Your Dragon DLC. Because it's honestly cool. Someone send me a thing. Because the How to Train Your Dragon DLC looks so sick. I wanna play that. That's like the one I wanna play the most. That's the one I wanna play the most. Hey, man's lagging. You okay, Red? Ready, man? Are you okay? I think I'm just gonna headshot him a bit. Not. There we go. And you okay? You okay, good man? Oh, match. Send me another one. I'll finish. Oh, the beach! The beach! Why? Minecraft. Hi, hello, oh, what's going on? Hello, welcome back. Bob's not okay. Why can I not play with the best? Went wrong. Oh, not working. The best. Then it's trying to play with you. I'm literally trying. Hang on, I'm changing. Let's go. Let's do some KSI. Play a bit of KSI. This is my favorite KSI song because it's you know. There we go. There we go. And then it's the only song I think that did better than PewDiePie's One and Only. Ah, goddamn. How's he? 360. 360. Oh, I got that 360. Oh, he's a fishing rod. He's gonna fishing rod this. Oh, you know, you're the vibe. And you. Ah, I'm dead here. Find the arrows as well. Yeah, I was gonna die then. Mind. Looking for sun rays in them good days. Alright, I'm gonna go eat pizza. Peace out. Alright, the best thing you've got the song, man. How long have I been streaming? How long? I've been live for 30 minutes. No way, you're my holiday. Every time, strawberry you know, it's summer. Everyone just wants to go outside, so it's kind of expected that nobody's on Twitch anymore. Here is the good time, strawberries, except if it's. Are you guys done with your game? Gamers, are you done with your?
I wanna stay up till the morning when you talking just to listen to the things you say. And every time we're in the middle of the city, I imagine us so far away. I see your body in the sunlight, feeling the heat and it feels right. I wanna do this for the rest of my life.
Alright, we're 4 people. Let's do some Bed Wars. I know, you know. Okay, I'm going in. Gamers 3. Have you touched some grass? That's a good one. Have you touched grass recently? Sun rays. Good. I'm going for you. Oh crap. Oh, my holiday. Oh, it's even our holiday, gamers. Look, it's our holiday. What? Oh, goddamn, the bag.
I was gonna win.
Bro, no one told me you guys are still in the game. I would have let you play. I was like, guys, you guys still in the game? And no one replied, so I just, you guys were not. Oh, my holiday. My kibbles went from all the moisture from my. Yo, my holiday. I was Russian. Holiday. I know. Song that now beat PewDiePie's song beat. Oh, my
holiday.
Oh crap. Let's go. Sparkly abs, a beautiful face. I forgot about this song, man. Honestly, I actually forgot about this song. Right over there. Guys, I gave someone the gold. Go do the thing with gold. Intrusive thoughts, oh yeah. You got some sparkly abs, the beautiful facial hair. Make me wanna jump right off of that cliff over there. Far way too handsome. I wanna be like you. Wanna be like you. Like you. Like you. Like you. I wanna be like you. I wanna be like you. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn.
Why you gotta tell me how much?
You guys got TNT? No! Dead. You is dead. Do not try. No, honey. Oh! No! No! Back away! Back away! Yeah! Get up! Let's go! We did it! We got the put! Oh, they just got destroyed. Nice. Hey, yo, fam! What are you doing? What is... Are you trying? Yes! Yes! Oh, I'm so good. Yes, son. No, son. It just got on. Oh, I have Dream Dragon. And always gets me going. Always gets me. Oh, damn. Go team. Let's go team, boys. Let's go team, boys. I'm right behind your bone. I'm right behind your bone. I'm right behind your bone. Alright, we got one. Oh, those combos were bad. Those combos were bad. Yeah, Sonny. Where are you running? Where are you running to? Alright. I just steal my kill. Alright, good sir. Okay. Oh, you did steal my kill. Well, nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gun Black, hello Gunny man. How are you? How are you doing? Ah, crap, I jumped. How are you, big man? What is up, Gun Black? I hope you're doing well. How are you? Why does yours sound young all of a sudden? It turned into Mickey Mouse. Okay. Okay, I have energy. I no! No, 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 no! Okay, good. Stop.
You sound like Tommy sometimes.
Everyone says that. Everyone always says I sound like Tommy. I personally don't see it, and I also personally don't. Hey, yo, big man, what are you do? What are you trying to do? No! Oh, please let me Do I respawn? Do I respawn? Wait. Do I respawn? He's inside the bed. Gamers. Come on, no. Guys, God damn you! God damn! I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. I am going to die. I am going to die.
Attention, the Wii is going to hit, Elise it, brace for impact.
Man down here. Man down here. I need to stop this water. Come on. Yes! Anyways, I'm sorry, I have to stop the water. No. Wait, stop the water. Let's go! He's gone! Goodbye, loser, man. Goodbye, loser. How are you doing? How are you? What are you? How are you? Loser, man. Uh-oh, he's going for the one on the side. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Good job. We actually won. What? Let's go! Deku, I have a job interview on Sunday. Good luck, man. You're gonna do well. You're gonna get that job. Here's how long I'm gonna stream. As long as I can. I'm in India right now. Let's go. That's pretty cool. Brown boy things. Okay, that's a bit, you know. I hope you're having a good time in India, good sir. You have a good time. Yeah, no, everyone does call me a bit of like Walmart Tommy in it. No. I'm just I can't. I'm gonna roll. Roll. Let's go.
Last game till I got to sleep for job.
Alright, no problem, man. You should. I thought you were going to. I don't know. Oh, are you in Australia? Australia or New Zealand? Those are my guesses. The only place where you have to actually go. Oh, you are already asleep. But LA, then it would be 5 in the morning. So it has to be Australia. That's my guess. Australia, New Zealand, but it's gonna be late. So yeah, Australia. Good job, team. We dubbed this. Yours, I'm Aussie. Let's go. That's pretty sick. Most Australians don't like me. I don't know why. Most Australians don't like me, so I'm just like, oh, too bad. I don't like you too. I don't know why. But yeah, no. Apparently Australians don't like me. No, like a few Australian content creators I know just don't like me. And I'm like, well, I'm not gonna lie. You have the most thing. So I don't mean accent-wise. Accent-wise, I have nothing wrong. I have nothing wrong with your Australian. Because I have an Australian teacher as well, and she's so cool. Good job, team. Go, push. Push blue. We must get your bird. Yo, thank you so much for the follow. Kidza is late. You are a bit late to the stream, but we're doing good, man. We're doing... Go, 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 go. I need you to give me some... Okay. Okay. All right, Pixar. I got you. I got you. There's Iron Man. Iron Man's down here. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Okay. Okay. Go, 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 go. Mine, 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 mine. Kaplan, 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 Kaplan. I'm dead yet. I'm dead. You guys got this. You don't like... no, no. I like. Okay. I like my viewers. I like my Australian viewers.
How long this stream is going to be?
I don't know, man. I'm gonna try. I want to try until... I don't know, actually. Let's say 3 hours. Hello, Kidza. I am on a quest to follow all queer and aliens for Pride Month, so I gotta go. Oh, thank you for the follow. And good luck with your little quest. That's pretty sick, man. That's really... Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello, Iron Man. Hello. Right, sick. Hey, go. I'm so goated. Pride Month. Oh yeah, Pride Month. Pride Month is... I like it. It's pretty cool, even though I'm 8. This is the true... We have true whatchamacallit. You guys on calls. You can tell. You can tell this sweaty call game. Bro, gamer calls. Gamer calls. Oh, ooh, a sword. I'll take that. Thank you. Thank you. Jacqueline. 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 Oh, Jacqueline. What did I say? American. Is it American? I don't know. It seems American. Yo, thank you, gentlemen. One bit.
I live in Arizona. I just hate myself.
Oh. Oh. Oh, damn. I mean, well, man, actually, funny enough, Arizona is, actually, I shouldn't say that. That's my mom. Well, Arizona is pretty cool in my opinion. My mom has been there. That's all I'm gonna say. I think my dad is. Like, my parents have been all, like, more or less to a lot of American states, but I've never been, from what I remember. I've been to Switzerland. Switzerland's cool. But I was like, what, 2? So, I really... No? What the flip? Yo, fam, what? How? How? I stabbed you so many times. Oh my god, that is so not cool. Oh, you guys are... No, guys, what is this? Too big. Then you're just gonna hide in and, like, you know, camp in and get it. Guys. Let's hold down the fort, but not like that. Oh, I'm getting another invis. I'm going to go in again. What the heck? Gamers, it's a bit much. This guy. I need some stuff. Oh, okay, invis. Grab a couple of these. Grab some. Yes. Yo, thank you. Oh, what if some random stream made everyone mod for 5 seconds? That would be mental. Son, what? Crap. It's Dream! Please, man. Dream. Talk about that. Quickly! Oh! Okay. No! No! The bed was right there! I was trying to cover myself up so I didn't die. Bed, man. I had the bed. Gamers, go! Push with all power! What is this? What? The wall. Go. Ah, damn it. Damn. Dream died! Uh-oh. Okay, come on. The dumb yellow guys. The bunch of yellow, dirty fellows. Alright? Can't do that. That's not possible. Alright, you know what? Get this then. I'm going with the other option. Get rich. That's my other option. Get rich. We will never die. Bro, I mean, yeah, of course we won't. Look at our bed defense. It's mad. Mental. Bro, I'm pretty sure they have obsidian. Honestly. Gamers, we need to move fast. We're gonna get obsidian soon. And they were not gonna be able. They have like so many emeralds. I'm pretty sure they've been collecting a lot of emeralds. Oh no, not this kid. No kid, man. Woman. Bye, woman. What? How's she alive? How are you alive? Come on, do it. Alright, we got it. Dick. Come on. Heading back to base. Okay. Hello, Genvetic. How are you doing? I'm so sorry if I mispronounced your name. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. Alright, gamers, are you ready? Are you ready to unleash our awesome power? Yeah, we have to. Guys, stop. No. Bro, I'm here with leather armor trying to kill. I'm actually built. Guys, we have. Guys, How are you doing, Jan Vetic? What is up? Interest. They've got some things now. Okay, stop upgrading. Stop upgrading the bed defense. What did that do? Alright, we need to win. We need to win. Okay. Give me their bed. Alright. Getting stupid amounts of. They're getting all the emeralds. Okay, we have to go now. We need to push now. This is our chance. We will not secure. And if we do not secure, we will lose. That is not what we must win. I will guarantee. I'm in. You will die. I've screwed up. Yeah. Yes, son. Oh, damn. Go. Oh, there's a kid here. Hello, kid. Hello, woman. Oh, yeah. Okay. We won. It was, I want to put only emo chat for a little bit. Why? What's happening? Because what happens? Are you warning me? What's going on? Hey, what happened? Why are we putting emo chat? What's going on? Okay. The best gamer has just... I'm literally won this with like no armor. These guys are all stacked with armor. What the heck? Bye. Oh damn, son. Where are you running to? Where are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Okay, tracker. Track the last one. Alright. That bread. Like here, shit. I don't know. There they are. They've got a diamond sword, but you just died. You just died! We have won! Look at my stuff. Have I... 16. Good job, team! Our greatly dominating bed defense and best players have helped us reach the level of great power that have allowed us to win! Yeah, every day at 9 AST. What? Even though nobody turns up? Oh, what's up? Wait. What's going on? What's going on? Are we hating on here? Are we doing some hatingness? That'll be my... Whoa. We doing some promoting stuff? Guys, that was straight up madness. Oh my god. I don't know how to after that, honestly. I don't think... How do we top that game? How on earth do we top that? We can't top that. That's too godly to top. Let's do this.
Put the loud house on, bro.
Wait, I want to put something else. I got a good one. Alright, let's do a bit of Skywars. Thor Love It Thunder, baby. Thor Love It. Yeah. I'll put Loud House after this. Alright, I'll put Loud House.
In the Loud House.
I'll put Loud House after this. Alright, how about that? Thor Love and Thunder, baby. I'm so excited for this movie. I'm also excited for the Jurassic World Dominion movie, the Black Panther 2 movie. Oh my god, so many goddamn Top Gun Maverick. I'm excited for it. Excited for it. What? How? Oh, that doesn't make sense. How has that happened? And you don't turn, and you don't need to turn up. On some time mod. Guys, what's going on here? Are we doing some advertising? Are we doing advertising? Let's not do advertising. By the way, chat, I'm thinking about doing a... No? Where you can actually... Well, you know... Why not? How does that...
I can't wait for the Loud.
You can't wait for the Loud House? It's the Loud House. What... Tech son. Come on, Tech. Come on, Techie, man. You got this.
When is your Among Us stream?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Hello, Bone. Hello. Kill that. job, my friend. Good job. I will help. I will help you. I think I'm going to tag someone. Hello, good sir. What are you doing? What are you doing? No. Stop. Stop. I will. No, my friend! You messed up! Uh-oh. 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 What is wrong with how? No! Oh. Way too bad, guy. I ended up wasting so many. Fun. Oh, jeez.
Women in the loud house sounds the best.
Loud house, loud house. I said that guy followed. Loud house, loud house, bop, bop, ba, bop, bop. Hello, good sir. Hello, good sir.
Emotional damage.
Hello, woman. Hello, woman. I did not mean to end appeal to you because it would have been that. Okay, she died. She died. Uh-oh, I'm stuck in a block. I'm stuck in a block. I'm stuck in a block. Attack this man. Sneak attack him! Sneak attack! Get destroyed! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Thank you, though, everyone. Oh. I'm gonna end it up there. Okay, I dubbed the games. I dubbed it the game. No, I'm back. I'm gonna end it off there. Thank you everyone for dropping by today's stream. It's very, very appreciated. How? Oh, Pex! Don't clap your hands. Clap my. Okay, that's a bit weird. Pex Lex. I'm so sorry. Oh man, hello. How are you doing? Oh. But yeah, thank you everyone for dropping by today. Appreciate it. What chat? If you're not following, please drop a follow. You know, drop a follow. Tag bro.
TNT tag bro.
It's like beep boop. Fine, okay, fine. Chat, 5, chat, do you have 5 followers? 5 followers, you know, if you get 5 followers.
Emotional damage.
Fine, I'm still, fine. I'm gonna end it with the house. TNT tag. That's it. This is rep. This is sad. Fine, I'm doing TNT tag. Okay, but if I die, I'm ending. What? Yeah, everyone wants me to do TNT tag. Okay, I'm gonna. Fine. Okay, fine. All right. Sorry. Last one, boys. Last one. Let's go. No mental on everyone. Let's do this. We got this. George, I can't hear you because of your music half of the time. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi. How is this? Is this better? Is this better? I hope this. I'm so sorry. Uh-oh. Oh. Let's follow the Tommy in it. Let's follow the Tommy in it, man. Let's follow the Tommy in it. Dream! Oh, he's after Techno. He's after Technoblade now. Hey yo, fam man, nah. Hey yo, that Tommy in it? Tommy in it? Tommy! Let's just. Ooh. Alright, and then I just chill. We're good. Yes. Epic and disabled. Why was oh. You know you don't need to enable or disable emote only mode just to post. You know you can post. What the flip? Oh, I'm going after Tommy. Going after Tommy. The fake Tommy man. Hello, fake Tommy. Want those combos, those combos. Oh, those combos. Come on. Oh, he's chasing me. Man's chasing me. Uh-oh. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm good though. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. Maybe. Alright, we just chill here. We're good now. We're good. Let's go. But it's funny at Timmy Annette. Oh man. By the way, guys, if you're not following, please consider following. It helps you out so much if you could just hit the little follow button. Honestly, it would help me out much. Just follow, man. Honestly, it would. Play it's free as well. And then don't follow. Hello, lady. Hello, lady. Follow. Why? It's not Christmas. Stop writing the. I'm gonna beat her. Look at me. Look at me, chat. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, chasing her. Chasing her. I don't know why she's running. Oh no, it's a man. It's a guy. Goddamn man. Oh no. Oh.
Iris, are we besties? I will make you a cake and I will bake you some steak and some onions and some Twitch bits. Yay,
Sure.
Iris 22 birthday and Christmas, haha, yes.
20 seconds. You want? Sure. I guess we are besties. I mean, everyone's my bestie. My chat, you know. If you guys show up, not that you just my bestie. Showing up, guys. It really means a lot if that you guys just show up. Honestly, just. Yo, thank you so much for the 16. Sorry.
4 rows of bits.
4 rows. That's no, thank you actually. But man, you've given like 600, you know, bits. 600. That's a lot of bits, my friend. Quite a lot, you know. Oh god damn. God damn. Ah! I'm dead. Dead. Ah. Well, on that note, is everyone dead? I'm pretty sure everyone's dead. Wow, look at that. Everyone has died. People. No, is anyone still in the game? I didn't. Just. Oh man. Rid of them. Get rid of. It's 7. It's a lot, bro.
It's 722, but you deserve it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh man, I think that's the most amount of bits gotten in one game. I think ever. Oh man, thank you. All right, we are good. Let's. Who do? Hello, Night Clan. How you doing? Me and my mom, I adopted you. Oh, hello. Are you Night Clan? If you could drop a follow,
Have a
that'd be
good
very
day now, bro.
appreciated.
Ema sleep.
Thank you. I don't know who to. What? Screw. Raid. MP. Playing Valorant. Raid. Baby raid. But thank you all for dropping by today's stream. It was very appreciated hanging out with you all. Remember to stay happy. Remember to go drop this person a follow. And yeah, go destroy the chat, please. You know, like annihilate it. You know, like fully madly destroyed. Also, if you guys are not following, please drop a follow. It is free. It would help me out so much. And I will see you guys all in the
Have a
next
great day, Bree.
Remember to stay happy, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Oh.
I will go hunt down the Minecraft mod and name it Clevin for you. How about that? Oh my god! How are we doing?
Oh.
How are we doing? I've been having having a dyslexic moment, but welcome into the stream. Welcome, guys.
Yo, thank you, Sir Leo, for the follow. That's very
Can
appreciated.
you get a shout out, please? How was your stream, by the way? 69. Yeah. Hello, good. How about you? It's been good until I read someone's name wrong. Not once, not twice. Actually, no, twice. And I said
Ariana
it too
Spooky
confidently.
says Kelvin, you are going to be named Kelvin just to make Ray's Liar fees Ria.
Hi, Vod. Say hello,
Read
Vod.
it. I can't read. I can't read.
Stay
Oh my
happy.
god. Also, Rogue, thank you so much for the refund.
Thanks for stopping by, Vods. Remember to stay happy, and I'll see you all later. Bye.
I'm new. Welcome in, everyone. It's really, really nice meeting you.